What's up, people, and welcome back to this another amazing live stream. And today we're going to have an amazing day here once again with each other here on the channel of Crypto Rover. So guys, thank you already for tuning in here. Very exciting and very amazing times here that we are once again here together, crushing the market, staying in touch with each other to share our thoughts here on the market. And I find this very, very interesting what we are seeing today once again here, guys. Of course, forming this ascending triangle here, possibility for a scenario what is right now unfolding for Bitcoin. And as you already know, if you keep an eye out on the Discord server, we entered a swing trade. We entered our Forex trade here. It's right now, approximately 3% profit only, so it's approximately $100 in profit right now. And if you want to know more about these trades, you have to follow us right away in Discord, because in the Discord server we gave you these thought about this trade, because as you can see, my reason behind this trade, because I'm right away going to explain my reason why I took this trade here, because it's very important to have also your reason once opening a trade here. So you can see here in the past 14th of February we were getting rejected massively by this level, and also once we were breaking below this, first we were finding support at this level, but once breaking below this, you can see it was acting as very strong resistance here, but since breaking above it, it held up as support. But then of course you all know what happened. We broke below it here, but if we are here in an uptrend, we are probably going to find very major and very strong support around this level, because here you can see also rejecting here, fighting at this level. And guys, that is the reason why I'm watching at this level here. You can see also another rejection. So the thing here is, always once you are above it, it is holding you up as support, and always once you are below it, it is holding you up as resistance. So this is the main reason why I do want to enter right here. The second reason here is because I feel very strong and very bullish about the market, and I want to enter a swing trade here, because also, if you follow me on Instagram here, I mean, these stimulus checks, guys, I'm feeling so freaking bullish about them, because it will only push the price of Bitcoin further and further to the upside. And that's also one of the main reasons why I do really want to get into a swing trade position, because we do want to crush this market here, and that's the reason why we do want to enter a swing trade. And I see everyone tuning in here. Raymond, thank you for tuning in also here. Absolutely amazing that you became a member also of us. You right now have of course a green chat name. Thank you so much for supporting here, first of all. But guys, today very, very exciting days here, but I will go in everything here, and also we'll go into some more projects here. We'll go into some altcoins here for you guys, and I see some people are already requesting some things here, and I will go in your request, guys. But first I will start off the stream with some analysis on Bitcoin, some analysis on Ethereum, and also on Cardano. And sorry for my sound here in the background, but I will first go into some analysis here before going into certain altcoins here. So definitely make sure to tune in here, and of course enjoying it every single moment with you guys here. And also we'll go into Ethereum, but first quickly explaining my thoughts here behind Bitcoin, why we entered this trade here. I just already explained to you guys, but of course new people are joining in here. You can see this gray box is holding up as support here, also forming this ascending triangle. Usually ascending triangles, because we're in a downtrend breaking to the downside, but I mean with the market situation what we are right now having, we are feeling extremely bullish. And Coast, thank you also for joining the Crypto Rover family here. Thank you for supporting the channel once again here. Big peace to you. So that's my reason why I do think Bitcoin will probably reverse to the upside here, and also looking to some multiple scenarios here, also for Ethereum here. So Ethereum, we're right now seeing that Ethereum is, of course, we're first fighting against this yellow resistance line here, but since we yesterday had this insane green candle here to the upside, of course, Ethereum also taking off compared to Bitcoin, and we'll go into the chart also in a second. But I mean, Ethereum is looking very strong here, but of course right now breaking a little bit to the downside here. Bitcoin is going also cooling off here, but because Bitcoin is cooling off for this this last period, it is giving Bitcoin it is giving Bitcoin the opportunity to consolidate around these levels and still let the RSI drop here and maybe go a little bit higher here later on here. But I mean, this is not looking strong for Ethereum in my opinion. But of course, I do feel very strong about Ethereum because it is looking good compared to Bitcoin. And also Lucas joined us as a member. Thank you so much for becoming a member. And because you guys are right now becoming a member, I can add more emojis. So that's very nice that you did so. And thank you for supporting the channel here. I mean, you guys are absolutely insane here. You guys are so supportive. I don't know what to say here. You are truly truly legendary. Of course, truly legendary. So thank you so much. And also, I mean, Ethereum compared to Bitcoin looking very strong here, especially if you look to the daily here. We were already anticipating this for, let's say, one week approximately. Last week we made this video special about the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin valuation, and what we can see right now, that we are getting a bounce here in the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin chart, what is very nice. But if you look at this chart, I mean, this chart is of course very important, because you also want to look at this chart, and this is basically right now telling me that we are literally going to blast off here for Ethereum compared to Bitcoin. In my opinion, we are looking so strong, finally breaking this resistance line, and it is looking right now that we are finding support at this previous resistance line. So I mean, Ethereum can definitely blast off here in the coming days, in the coming weeks here. So Ethereum is definitely an asset that you do want to keep an eye out on. And guys, not a lot of people are watching right now to this chart, but we as a Crypto Rover family are watching to this chart. And we, of course, want to enter more swing trades here, because we want to crush the market here. And we want to look at more opportunities to enter more trades, of course. And besides that, we also want to just enter more trades, because we want to make more money. And also, it is looking like the market is just in general reversing. And once the market is reversing, I think Ethereum can definitely dominate this month. And also with the huge announcements that Ethereum is right now making, that they're going to burn tokens, that they're going to burn their transactions. And you all know what will happen once we are seeing this burn of transactions. We are seeing less supply coming to the market. Right now, having 140 million Ethereum in circulation. But starting from July, it will only get less and less and less. And you guys have to know, this is very simple math here. We all know, at least if you believe in the project, you believe that Bitcoin is around here in, let's say, 10 to 15 years. But if Bitcoin is still around here in 10 to 15 years, Ethereum will also definitely be around here. And especially once you see the circulating supply going lower and lower, you know it will be more scarcity. And this will also be a very important store of value asset. So Ethereum is also definitely a coin that you do want to hold here for the long run. And I will only not say Ethereum here. I will also say Binance Coin, because Binance Coin, I can't talk about all these coins here. But I mean, because they're starting burning their coins, it's definitely a very good thing here. And also definitely a very good thing for the chart in general here. And then, man, Vaults and Stellar Lumis got in on 51 Canadian dollars. I will go in your request in a second. I will go in Stellar Lumis in a second. I quickly will finish up my thoughts here on Ethereum, and then I will of course go into Stellar Lumis, of course, for you. But I mean, very exciting what we are right now seeing here, of course, with the price of Ethereum. Can definitely be a very good thing here, but also it's a little bit of a hype cycle right now starting. And because we are seeing this hype cycle starting for Ethereum, you can see that we are breaking certain levels of resistance, what is very crucial and very important, of course. And that is, I mean, very good here for the price of Ethereum. And it can definitely also push the price way, way higher. And that was also and the reason behind this video. Of course, we made this video already a week ago here. Yeah, you guys like that video, and of course, I want to do a daily live stream here, but sometimes I cannot go live every single day here, and that will be the reason why I will sometimes upload some videos. So also we'll go into the Bitcoin dominance, and after that I will go in your Stellar Lumis request here, and after that I will go just to go look at Cardano, Chainlink, and some other very OG coins here, of course. And after that we can go and chill out with each other here and look at all the coins that you want me to look at here. So we will definitely do that. But I mean, the Bitcoin dominance is still looking good here. I see someone saying it in the chat also. So Bitcoin dominance is still looking strong here. I mean, right now still consolidating around these ranges. And you can see both wicks to the top side and the downside. So it is saying to us, okay, we are having a lot of indecision right now here if you look to the Bitcoin dominance chart. And what is right now very important here is, of course, that we are breaking this previous supportive line here on the downside. So for now on, of course, we are still moving to the downside here, but I do want to see a break of this white line before flipping insanely bullish. And if we're going to break this line here, and if we're really going to see a break with a retest here, I mean, definitely, I will say I have to scale in more into altcoins, because then altcoin season can maybe start. And I think altcoins can really explode here in the coming, let's say, 30 to 60 days here. It can definitely be very exciting times. And guys, I think we are coming closer and closer, of course, to the end of the bull market, how unfortunate it is. But I mean, because we're coming close to the end of the bull market, we're going to see more massive gains be made. So the most amount of gains we haven't seen then yet here. And by the way, if you just hopped into the stream here, make sure to already smash up the likes here, guys. We're only 7 likes away from the 100 likes. It would be amazing if we can right away smash up to the 100 likes here. But I mean, very exciting what we can see right now with a bit of Bitcoin dominance. And this will also be a leading indicator, leading chart here, what will tell us once we have to step into more altcoins. So definitely a chart that we will keep an eye out on here on the channel. So make sure to also subscribe to the channel and join the Discord server if you haven't already, if you really want to stay up to date. And right away we'll go to Stellar Lumis, because we got a request just a moment ago. So Stellar Loomis, of course, absolutely looking very strong here. We are forming this symmetrical triangle here on Stellar Loomis. We are seeing a breakout right now, and of course, not a lot of things happened yet. I will enable the volume here real quickly because the volume is also not very interesting. You can see still decreasing volume, so it is not really saying, if you look to the volume, that we are having a breakout because. James Holt also tuned in here. Thank you for tuning in here, James Holt. But I mean, if you look at the volume here, you do want to see more volume coming in here once you're seeing a breakout of a symmetrical triangle. But for now on, Stellar Loomis is not doing anything very interesting, so we still have to wait here till we maybe we cannot even call this a valid pattern. But I mean, if you look to the price target, this can definitely be a very strong price target for Stellar Loomis here if you're going to see a breakout anytime soon here. But definitely, if you're seeing right now a real breakout to the top side, 70 cents will be the target here. So. Guys, definitely, I would like to see Stellar Loomis, of course, increase in value here, but it all depends here on how it will look here for the coming days and also for Bitcoin. But I mean, I feel very bullish on the market in general because I think the market will reverse here. That's the main reason here. Also, this ascending triangle. Let's see how this will play out for Bitcoin. Can definitely push the price way, way higher here, and also. I just look forward to the price action in general because we started a new week. It's Monday, guys. So new week, new changes in crypto, new volatility. Volatility will return to the market, and definitely we will benefit from it, in my opinion. And I do think that we are going to see a steady increase of price here. It will be very nice if we can finally break through the 52K here because it's acting as very strong resistance for now, at least. So that's very nice here. So let me check. I will right away go to. So I mean, Stellar Loomis looking very strong here, looking like a breakout of the symmetrical triangle, but do want to see some more follow-through getting created because we just broke out, of course. So looking forward to it. Looking forward to it already. So let me quickly check. Let me check the Chainlink here for you guys because you guys also want me to check Chainlink, and after this I will check Cardano because I like Cardano here, of course, with you guys. So we're definitely going to check every single thing here. So first looking to Chainlink here, you can see Chainlink, of course, first forming this very strong supportive level here. So we haven't touched this level since the 28th of February, so we haven't got the opportunity to accumulate more Chainlink here. But I mean, Chainlink, of course, moving to the upside here, forming also a new supportive line here to the upside. So maybe we can respect this line here. We are right now seeing this line getting supported here already multiple times here for Chainlink. So Chainlink, of course, looking strong, but Chainlink still fighting against this Fibonacci level of the 1.618 here. So the 1.618 is definitely a level that we do want to break here for Chainlink. Still have to wait a little bit longer till we're going to see this breakthrough because we got rejected already a lot of times here. So yeah, we do want to take it with caution right now for Chainlink. But I mean, if you look to Chainlink compared to Bitcoin, if you look to Chainlink compared to Ethereum, I still think that Chainlink is ready to explode anytime soon here. Of course, can still create a wick here on the top side. Definitely will be looking forward to see this this daily candle getting getting close above this resistance line here. And I see Lucas Fleck also saying, I got my entry on Bitcoin long at 47.1K. I'm ready to watch it going up here. So thank you so much also for becoming a member here. But Lucas, I do think it's a very good entry point that you get. So I'm looking forward to see your entry going higher. And also Dan, man, thank you for your donation here. Thank you for supporting the channel here, of course. And you're saying thanks, man, so thank you so much. And Chainlink compared to Ethereum, also very important chart here because you can see this chart is once again showing a lot of significance. You can see the supportive line still getting respected, still in this ascending triangle, guys. And you can see this bounces right now solidifying here on Chainlink compared to Ethereum. So Chainlink compared to Ethereum is looking very strong here. You can see, I mean, another time a supportive bounce from off this level. We were anticipating this, and this is only giving more signals that we are in a clear ascending triangle. And once we are going to break out of this triangle, guys, we will definitely trade this because this can definitely be very huge for Chainlink because we're still watching. We're watching Chainlink already for a longer period of time, and of course, Chainlink is not doing anything interesting for the last period of time. I know Chainlink made some gains, but not very interesting gains here. But we are here to see some insane gains being made here. So definitely we will also look for Chainlink here. We will be looking for opportunities here for Chainlink to accumulate more and more Chainlink. So I definitely think that we can see a breakout anytime soon here. And once seeing this breakout, guys, you have to know it. We will be staying here. We will be anticipating this as well. So definitely a reason to keep an eye out on the channel here. And we're all going to witness this all together, of course. So, of course, very amazing to see you once again here. Also, we'll go to Cardano real quickly. Just quickly giving my update about Cardano here. And I mean, Cardano is still forming this uptrend here on the 4-hourly. And of course, the 4-hourly, very exciting. What we can see here, still trading in this gray box here. But if you look to the 4-hourly in And particularly if you zoom in a little bit here, you can see that we're right now trading below this level. But of course, this 4-hourly supportive line here is not the most beautiful one because we have created a lot of wicks here. So I do think, yes, we can go a little bit lower here and still be supported here. But yeah, I mean, we're still trading at this gray box here. So definitely looking to find another supportive bounce here because once trading in this gray box, I do still think that we are on an uptrend here. But I mean, if you zoom in a little bit more, and you look to this current scenario here, I mean, yeah, definitely you can say we are maybe in a downtrend or we have already broke it and right now finding support at this. So, I mean, very hard to say what Cardano is right now doing. Cardano is just consolidating a little bit here, but if we want to see a more clear way for Cardano here, I mean, guys, yeah, we can see we got rejected by this Fibonacci level on Cardano compared to Bitcoin, and Cardano compared to Bitcoin is very, very important if you look at this chart, because if you look to Cardano compared to Bitcoin, you can see right now getting this rejection coming in here, but still have to wait a little bit here before we're moving down here. And if we're moving down here, I mean, definitely this will give us very strong opportunities here. This gray box will be definitely my accumulation zone because we're going to find a bounce anytime soon here. We cannot go have a free fall forever. Of course, I know we increased in value very, very strong here, but I mean, finding support at the previous top will definitely be a very strong thing here, and it can definitely ignite the fire here for Cardano compared to Bitcoin, and also Cardano compared to Ethereum also looking very strong. So we'll go into that chart as well here. And I mean, you're right now going lower, and I mean, this feels very nice because, yeah, you are solidifying this rejection from this Fibonacci level. And if you're going lower here, I mean, gray box will definitely be a very strong accumulation zone, and this will still be a dump compared to Bitcoin of approximately 5% here. So we will be accumulating here once we're going lower for Cardano, because we are loving Cardano on the channel, and we want to accumulate more and more Cardano. So also, we'll go into some gems here today because I believe I'm finding some very interesting gems here, and also discussing it with some friends here of mine because, of course, I'm accumulating these gems here. And I mean, GLD here is YLD is looking very strong here, so definitely looking to talk more about that coin as well. But I mean, if you look to Cardano compared to Ethereum, also still expecting another drop off here, and I mean, this will be very strong if we are seeing this another drop-off coming in here for Cardano here. If we're going to see another move down here to this gray box, this will definitely, of course, you are having a very, very big free fall here for Cardano. Approximately, it's only 40, I say only, it's 43% from the top here compared to Ethereum. But I mean, definitely that will be the level that we're probably going to find the bounce here, because this is very strong resistance. This was always acting as very strong resistance already for approximately 3 years here. So 3-year long resistance will probably act as very strong support. So I mean, I will definitely look to accumulate also more around this level. So I mean, we're coming closer and closer to very strong accumulation zones here for Cardano. So guys, please keep an eye out on accumulating more Cardano here. And people are saying, why are you talking so fast? Okay, I'm sorry, I will try and talk a little bit slower here. I was not reading the chat here because I was still in my story here, so sorry for not reading the chat here. But guys, I see already having 900 live viewers. Thank you so much for tuning in here. Make sure to smash up these likes. But I'm the reason why I'm talking so fast here is because I'm getting very exciting. So that's always the problem. I'm always getting way too excited, especially if I look at this chart of Cardano. I mean, you can see here that we are coming close to very strong accumulation zones, and I don't want you guys to miss out here. I want to help you guys, and that's also the reason why we are making these daily live streams here. And you guys have to know it. You want to benefit from these accumulation places that we are heading towards. So please think twice. Think twice in which opportunity you are right now, because you're getting huge opportunities here to accumulate more. And also we'll go a little bit into Polkadot here, because Polkadot, I mean, also a very, very exciting times here for Polkadot here. You can see almost heading towards the supportive line once again here for Polkadot. So I mean, Polkadot also in this symmetrical triangle. Also going to see a breakout anytime soon here, probably for Polkadot. I also do want to see, by the way, I do still want to see another rejection from the top side here before, yeah, we're really calling this symmetrical triangle, because you do want to see more touches on the top side. You want to at least see 3 touches before you can call this a very valid symmetrical triangle. So in my opinion, this symmetrical triangle is, of course, already looking good here, but still would like to see that we are heading closer and closer to the apex, and do, of course, want to see a break to the upside here. And we will only trade this on the breakout here, guys. So if you want to stay up to date here, it's also very important that you subscribe to the channel here, because once we are seeing a breakout here, and we are not live, of course, we will do it in a Discord, but we will trade this on the breakout here. So definitely keep an eye out on the channel here, because we would like to trade this, of course, and we're coming closer to very strong opportunities here. Of course, we have been sitting on the sidelines for quite a while here, because we are accumulating, we are just in this accumulation phase, and it's not smart to trade here. We are waiting till we're going to see a clear breakout, and once seeing a clear breakout, guys, then we are taking these easy trades here to new all-time highs, and then we are definitely going to crush the market altogether. And that's also the main reason why we just stepped into a Bitcoin swing trade here, of course. Bitcoin looking strong here, in my opinion. And I mean, yeah, definitely can't wait here till Bitcoin is going to reverse to the upside once again here. Of course, already accumulating this swing trade because we want to sit on this trade for a longer period of time here. And guys, I mean, we're definitely going to crush the market here, and I cannot wait at all here. Of course, I'm not scared if we're going to move 2% to the downside here because, yeah, I mean, we can definitely still see something like this. But once we're seeing a valid breakdown here and a valid retest, yeah, of course, then we will exit the trade here. But it really depends on how the market structure will be here in the coming hours. But I mean, I still feel bullish on this trade, and definitely once exiting this trade, I will keep you guys up to date here. Because we always have to think about an exit strategy here. You want to be clear here, and yeah, stop loss will be coming here if we're maybe seeing something like this here, or yeah, I mean the market in general on the 1 hourly already cooling off pretty significantly, and I mean, yeah, finding support at this previous resistance line is looking very strong here, and in my opinion, we can see a reversal on the 1 hourly in the immediate short term here. So let me know what you guys are having right now here in the chat. And people are saying join the Discord server. Yeah, definitely. That's a very good and strong thing that you can do here. Joining the Discord server will be a very nice thing. Of course, if you're doing so, thank you so much here. GSB, thank you so much for letting me know, because I know that I said it wrong last time here. I still think that Crypto.com can do a 5 to 10x, so it will be sitting around to one towards the $1.5. And yesterday I said it incorrectly. You also messaged me, so yeah, I know I said it wrong, man. But I mean, Crypto.com can definitely go towards the $1/$1.50 here in the coming bull run. Of course, this is a very conservative prediction here for Crypto.com here, but it can definitely increase way more. But I want to be conservative because I want to have my predictions come out here. So Cameron, £1 here. Thank you for the support of the donation here. And people are saying no stop loss on the trade here. I mean, we're right now in a swing trade here, still waiting a little bit here. We are going to witness the trade together. So once going out of the trade, we will keep you guys up to date. But I'm right now monitoring this trade live here, and I know that I can control my emotions. So definitely, once we are seeing that the market is reversing to the downside, I will definitely exit this trade, of course. So also we'll keep you guys up to date in the Discord server. But yeah, right now we are watching this this chart live together. And I mean also Crypto.com here forming a stealth uptrend here, maybe forming some kind of ascending triangle as well here. So I mean looking like very exciting times here in the cryptocurrency space in general. But I mean definitely can see an ascending triangle play out as well here for Crypto.com here. So I mean a lot of coins are forming these ascending triangles, guys. I'm getting very excited because we're going to see some massive gains be made here and some massive breakouts as well. And I see right now watching with 1,000 viewers, guys. Let me know if you already smashed up these likes here. It would be amazing if you can do so, because I see, I mean, 1,000 live viewers. That's absolutely insane, of course. And if you guys can all smash up these likes, I think we can definitely reach the 300 likes. We're only 80 likes away here. So it will be, of course, very amazing if we can do so. Let me know if you smashed up these likes, because it's only taking 5 seconds, of course, of your time. It will be amazing if we can do so. So let me know what you are saying right now in the chat, because then we will definitely look at your request here in the chat. I would certainly love to go more into your request here. Let me see. Thanks for the yes, no problem. And Neymar, also thank you for the support of Super Chat. You are saying, can you set up Telegram to keep us up to date of the trade? I, of course, already have this Telegram server. But I mean, you have to know, I don't really, I'm not really hugely active on Telegram here. But I cleaned out the server. I will add some more moderators in the Telegram server so they can... so they can build this Telegram server very strongly, because right now it's just a little bit chaotic in my opinion. And do want to build this a better server here, because we don't want to make these servers for spammers. So please say in the Crypto Rover Telegram group if you want to become a moderator. But if you want to join the Crypto Rover Telegram group here, you can right now go into the description and you can find the Telegram group as well here. But yeah, then you can definitely become a moderator, because I'm looking for some more moderators here also in the Telegram group here. And yeah, of course, looking forward to it. Looking forward to it. So let me see. Rover, please check the dollar index. And guys, yesterday we can see dollar index going sky high right now. The biggest enemy of Bitcoin, of course. The dollar index still increasing in value here. But I mean, because it's right now almost getting in overextended territory, in my opinion, what we are right now seeing, of course, we're seeing a break of this downtrend here in the dollar index, but you want to look at the facts, because in the previous stimulus checks, once they previously were announced and once they were approved, and Tomorrow we will have the full approval for the stimulus checks that will come here, the 1.9 trillion. And guys, I mean, this is definitely a huge thing here in the cryptocurrency space here, because right now you can see the faith is just returning here in the dollar index because of these stimulus checks here. But in the end of the day, it will only crash the market because we are printing money. I mean, we are not. The Fed is printing money out of thin air. So basically, they're going to create hyperinflation here. It's coming to an end, and I do think in 10 to 15 years we can see this reversal coming in here. So also, so Raymond, I will definitely fix that. Of course, I will maybe use the Telegram group for only effective notifications. But then we got a super cool donation here from Ian. Thank you for your $10 here. You're saying I just entered along with 70,000 quantity at 50.50k, basically 50k. So did I make a mistake? And I mean, you already entered pretty high, to be honest, in my opinion. I mean, we of course entered at approximately $400 lower. But I mean, yeah, you definitely want to look out here because you do want to set a good stop loss here. You do want to use stop loss, and it depends on how much leverage you're using. If you're using a low leverage, I shouldn't be worrying all too much here, to be honest, because I still think that the market is reversed to the upside. But of course, you always have to trade at your own risk here, and you always have to do your own due diligence here. You always have to do your own research here, because I cannot give you any financial advice here. But in my opinion, market is looking very strong here, and in my opinion, we can see a reversal anytime soon here. So yeah, maybe we can see the price going a little bit lower here, but maybe the RSI is also finding support here in this upper trend here. So we still have to wait a little bit longer till we're going to see a clear signal here, what the RSI is also doing, what the price action is, of course, also doing. But I mean, yeah, definitely you do want to be careful here with trading Bitcoin. You do only want to wait for good opportunities here. And we are entering a swing trade. And for this swing trade, I'm not scared to go, like, let's say, in minus 8% here, because I do think that the market this coming week, this week will be very good for Bitcoin. I do think we can see a Bitcoin sitting around 60k near the end of the week here, because I still feel very strong here, just like I was talking about the dollar index. I think we are seeing in the immediate short term faith returning, but I do think that we're going to collapse anytime soon here once again here, and that can also push the price of Bitcoin way higher here. And I mean, I will be looking forward, of course, to see what will happen here, of course. But I mean, I still think that the market is reversed to the upside. So it depends on which leverage you are in, my friend. And Raymond, you're saying, check out Willy Woo, who uses Telegram for important notifications. I will check it after the stream here. I will make a quick screenshot of your chat, because otherwise I will forget it here. So made a quick screenshot here, and we'll post it here in my private chat. So. Okay, so I made a screenshot. So after the stream, I will definitely will look into it here. So thank you so much here. And guys, you have to know it. Also, another super supportive donation from Ian. I'm trading with 10x leverage. I mean, I find a 10x leverage way too high here for a swing trade. So let's say if you're in a 10x leverage, you're already approximately, let's see, you're already 1% down here. So I mean, you're right now minus 10%. So you do want to take it with caution here, and especially once entering with higher amounts of leverage, you do want to take it very careful, in my opinion, like I told you before. But I mean. Yeah, definitely. We're right now trading at support, so definitely going to see a reversal anytime soon here, in my opinion. But please, next time, do more research here. Don't rush into a trade, because rushing into trades can, in the end of the day, only wreck you here. So that's the reason why you do want to take it with a lot of caution here. And that's also the reason why we are in the channel taking it very slow here with trading. But Femix, and guys, yeah, if you want to join these trades as well here, you can, by the way, use our Femix referral link in the description. Would, of course, be very amazing if you're doing so, because you're supporting the channel here. But yeah, if we're taking trades here, definitely wait for clear signals here. Definitely wait till we're seeing a clear market reversal. But I mean, in my opinion, the market is ready to reverse here. Also, the 1 hourly RSI is already pretty low here. So I mean, in my opinion, we can definitely reverse here. And someone is saying leverage trading sounds pretty risky, and definitely leverage trading is very risky. But the only thing here, because I'm already doing this for a longer period of time, and the only way how you can be profitable here with leverage trading is if you look at the risk or reward situations, and you do want to wait. You do not want to rush into trades here. And I mean, if you really want to take it even more safer, because on the trading challenge I'm trying to take it as safe as possible, but on my private account sometimes they are taking more riskier trades, but only with a good risk to reward situation. And especially we were sitting on the sidelines for, let's say, a week or so, or a week and a half, because you don't want to trade in these ranges here on the left side here on the screen. You can see consolidating is very important, because if you're buying into consolidation, it's very annoying to buy and trade in consolidation. You want to buy before the pump. You want to leverage trade before the pump, so you can ride it to new all-time highs. And that's also our strategy right now. We do want to enter low leverage trades here because we have less risk. And I mean, the risk that Bitcoin is going to drop here 40% is still. I mean, we are in a 4x, so Bitcoin needs to drop 30% before getting liquidated. I don't say that liquidation is very likely to see, but I mean, Bitcoin has to drop 30% here. And I don't see a Bitcoin sitting around 34K here, to be honest. But I mean, guys, I think a low leverage rate is right now very good to enter, because I do think the market will reverse. And probably you guys think as well, the market is going to reverse anytime soon here. And that's also the reason while you are right now with low leverage into this trade here, and we're going to ride this all together to new all-time highs here. So I cannot wait till we're going to go higher here, of course, with Bitcoin. And I do think, like I told you before, this week will be a very strong week for Bitcoin, especially to look into the dollar index, also getting a little bit overextended right now. Of course, doing a very good job here, but I mean, it's definitely in for a reversal, and it's only going higher because of the faith returning into the dollar, because of the stimulus checks here. And this 1.9 trillion, guys, we all know what happened before. Once the previous stimulus checks were there, we were seeing a major rally for Bitcoin and major rally for stocks in general. And definitely this will be this will be happening once again here, because if you're not into Bitcoin, you are at huge risk at losing all your wealth in your current state. And also very important for your parents, or for your friends and family. I want to, at least for my parents, etc., I want them to be wealthy, and that's also the reason why I'm saying to them, please stay in Bitcoin. And that's also the reason why I'm telling this to you guys. If you're not exposed to Bitcoin, if you're only exposed to your altcoins, of course that's also a good thing, but I do think Bitcoin is also a very important asset that you do want to be exposed to for the coming 10 to 15 years here, because Bitcoin will be the asset that everyone will be watching, and there will be some huge changes in the world here in the coming 10 years. And of course, we're going to witness this all together here, but it's going to be horrible, because there will be coming an economic crisis here. And of course, this is not nice to have here in the world, because there will be very weird times in the world, in my opinion. But the economic crisis is narrowing us very close. And I mean, the hedge against an economic crisis is Bitcoin, and that's also the reason why you do want to stay in crypto here. 1.9 trillion. Yeah, I mean 1.9 trillion. Absolutely, this will ignite the fire of the last bull run, in last bull cycle here for Bitcoin. I mean, we can definitely go parabolic here. We can definitely go parabolic and set some new all-time highs. So guys, let me know what you want me to look at here in the chat. Take a breath here. Definitely will take a breath. Also, we'll take a sip of my coffee here. Bitcoin retraces to 47K. I don't think it's very likely to see Bitcoin reverse to 47K, to be honest. Of course, I mean, 47K will be also out of this supportive line here. I don't think it's very likely to see Bitcoin getting towards that level, if I'm really honest with you. Let me know. CME gap down to 48K. So quickly we'll look at the CME gap for you. Of course, very exciting what we are seeing with the CME gap. I mean, we already filled the CME gap of yesterday. So, of course, a lot of people were talking about the CME gaps once again here, because they say, okay, the CME gaps has to be filled here. I mean, they don't necessarily has to be filled. I mean, we already filled the CME gap. Very exciting that we already filled it, so probably can extend higher. But I mean, if you really want to fill every single CME gap here, I mean, yeah, definitely you have to go to levels around the 23K here, and even the 9.7K. So don't think that these CME gaps will be filled here, guys. Do you think that Bitcoin ever? Let me know in the chat. Let me know in the chat right away here. Do you think that Bitcoin ever is going to fill this 9.7K CME gap? Because we still have the CME gap around 9.7K here for Bitcoin. So let me know in the chat if you think that we are really going to fill the CME gap, because I'm not anticipating that this CME gap will be filled here. So let me know right away here in the chat. And I mean, this already got filled, so that's pretty nice here. So we'll right away remove this as well. But let me know in the chat here. And also another super chat from Bitcoin. Hi, can you please chat Cody? And thank you so much for your donation here. I will right away check Cody here, of course. Oh, when this coin absolutely goes sky high. But let me know if you do think that we are going to fill the CME gap in the chat here. I'm getting quite curious what you guys are thinking about this. But I mean, this coin, of course, going sky high here. Thank you for your support of the nation, Bitcoin, of course. You have a very amazing name here. But I mean, it was heading towards 60 cents here. But it's creating this big wick on the top side. Take it with caution here, because this coin is looking like having a reversal. I mean, such a huge correction is very likely to see it will get filled here. And people are saying never and I mean, I have to agree with you. I like gaps. So definitely. Definitely, I don't think that we are going to fill this 9.7k ever again here. And I mean, these gaps are here. They are saying that they always get filled, but I mean, it doesn't necessarily has to be so. But I mean, this coin, yeah, thank you for supporting the channel, of course. But I mean, this coin going sky high since breaking the 4.618 here. You saw this massive increase in price, and I mean the 4.236 here in the Fibonacci level. You can see we broke through it. We were consolidating on this level and then had blast off here. But I mean, you should take it really careful and maybe consider taking any profits here, because daily, of course, extremely overextended on the daily. 86 in the RSI, very likely to see a correction here, and it's definitely smart to take some profits here. Weekly also extremely overextended. I mean, if you want to take profits, definitely right now is the time here. Also creating such a big wick here on the top side, so I should definitely consider taking some good profits here, in my opinion. Of course, no financial advice here, but I mean, it's looking like this coin can reverse anytime soon here once again. And I mean, it's definitely very overextended here, so please take it with caution here. And then we the 1.618 here, also holding up a very strong support. But it's more likely to see this coin reverse anytime soon here than it will go higher. Then it will go higher here, in my opinion. So yeah, definitely take it with caution in this coin. But thank you for supporting the channel, of course. Mr. Rover, do you have a take profit area? Definitely we have take profit areas, but the point here is this is a swing trade, and I do want to enter this trade for a long period of time. And I mean, if Bitcoin is going towards the 70k, I will definitely write this trade to 100k here, because I think Bitcoin can go to 100k, but it's just a matter of time here. So exact take profit areas, I have to watch it, because it's a swing trade and we want to sit on this trade for a long period of time here, and that is the reason why we are right now in this trade as well here. So Cameron also donated £2 here, and you're saying, what is your prediction for Cardano by the end of 2021 here? And my prediction for Cardano is very interesting, in my opinion, because the end of 2021 here, we can see a Cardano sitting around the $4 to $5, in my opinion. So 5x is a very likely target for Cardano to still do it. And if we're doing a 5x for Cardano, Cardano will be sitting approximately around the 150 billion market cap. And that's an insane market cap, of course, but I don't think it can, of course, it can go way higher, but I want to be conservative a little bit here, because I want to have a realistic price prediction. And I mean, everything what is going above the 150 billion market cap, it will be overextended for me. So everything above a 5x, everything above a $5 will be, at least for me, take profit areas. Because once we're going so overextended, I will be considering taking more and more profits. So I mean, 5x is a very likely target for Cardano to reach here. But I mean, also if you look to Bitcoin logarithmic growth curve, if we are really going to ride this trade here with a low leverage, of course, and we're going to ride this to new all-time highs here, definitely, of course, 100k will be a likely target to top out here, a likely target to take some profits here. So definitely we will be looking forward to see this target getting met here. So yeah, let's keep an eye out on this chart, of course. And of course, you can see right now also getting a bounce from this logarithmic growth curve level. And you can see also it was acting as support and resistance previously. But yeah, I mean, definitely looking to set a new all-time high here anytime soon for Bitcoin. And we will reverse, and we can reverse anytime soon here, especially with the stimulus checks, like I told you before. That's also the main reason why I feel so bullish here, because I really want to be in a swing trade right now, because you don't want to miss out on this. So Abdullah also donated here, so thank you for supporting this donation. You're saying, what are your thoughts on Engine Coin here? Is it a good time to buy right now? And I can right away tell you, you have to be very cautious if you are buying into Engine Coin right now, because if you right away look at the daily, extremely overextended in my opinion. If you look to the weekly, even more overextended. Weekly is sitting around the 93 in the RSI, and I mean, look at this coin on the weekly. It's, of course, it's performing very strong here right now, but you want to buy into these coins before they pumped, and right now it's too overextended in my opinion to really step into this coin here. So definitely take it with caution here. And of course, you had this good buying opportunity over here. Maybe around the $1 you could still have bought into it, but I mean, in my opinion, right now it is just overextended, and also forming this bearish divergence here, because you can see right now forming a higher high in the RSI on the 4 hourly, but still creating a lower high in, sorry, I said higher high in the RSI. I mean, you're creating a lower high in the price, in the RSI, and a higher high in the price action. So you're right now seeing a bearish divergence also play out here on Engine Coin. So probably looking to see a reversal anytime soon here. And of course, if it is going to create another leg up here, it would be very nice if you're holding it, but I mean, should really take it careful here. I mean, I'm not looking to buy into this coin right now because it's too overextended, and I should definitely also take this with caution here, because you don't want to drop just purely into this coin here. I mean, Of course, you see it perform very strong here, but you do want to be here before the pump really happens. So that's my main reason why I'm not stepping into this coin. Also, yeah, this bearish divergence is just yeah, just making me a little bit scary. But I'm not hating here. I think it's a very good project here, but I think it's not a smart place to enter this coin, because there are way better coins here with way better potential here as well. Lucas Flag, still need a mug from his sister. Definitely will do some more mug giveaways here, and we'll definitely send one to you, of course, later on here. But I'm not going to sell them, only for giveaways here, because it's nice to give these mugs away. The Crypto Rover mug here, of course, a very nice mug. And I enjoy my coffee out of these every single day here. So also we'll give away some more of these mugs here anytime soon. So of course, someone is saying I got engine around 51 cents here, and you're doing a very strong job here. You're doing a very good job here. I mean, really consider taking profits, man, because if you're going so high here, also in the weekly is making me feel very scary here, to be honest. The weekly is making me feel very scary. You can see RSI sitting around 93 in the weekly, and that's extremely high. And don't get me wrong, we can still go higher, but in the end of the day, this coin will see a drop-off period. It cannot go sky high forever. You have to see a retracement anytime soon here. So in my opinion, yes, it can reverse very quickly here. And if you're spamming in the chat, please don't do so, because then you will get blocked here. I see also that we just smashed through an amazing target here on the channel. We just smashed through the 22.9k subscribers. So guys, we are heading towards the 23k subscribers. So if you are new in the stream, if you haven't already, make sure to right now subscribe to the channel. It will be, of course, very amazing, because let's see if we can reach the 23k subscribers live in the stream. That will be, of course, an amazing target if we can reach it. So I will be looking forward to reach this target, of course. And yeah, let me know if you also already liked the video. It would be, of course, very amazing if you did so. And if you're just subscribing, let me know in the chat here. It would be very amazing if you're doing so, because yeah, I mean, it's very lovely to see you guys, of course, enjoying this content. And of course, we are gaining from this community altogether here, because also in the Discord server, building this strong community, giving our thoughts on the market here altogether. And we are not asking money for it. We're just completely doing this for free, because we want to help you guys out here, and we want to crush the market altogether. We want to build this strong community here. So yeah, let me know if you want to be a part of this community. You can also join the Discord server, because I mean, the Discord server also growing so quickly here, guys. You are so insane. I mean, we're all helping each other out here, and I think this is one of the strongest Discord servers here in the cryptocurrency space, and I would like to build this one. So let me know if you're also in the Discord server. And in my opinion, a lot of people are saying it as well here. This Discord is truly valuable. If you're really here to educate yourself, of course, the Discord server is a very, very good place here, because there are a lot of good people here in the Discord server that can help you and can definitely help you think a little bit different about the cryptocurrency space. And I am not the only professional here. You have more professionals here in the Discord server, so that's also the reason. If I'm not live or so, you can also check our amazing moderators or amazing people here in the community, because I see always a lot of people are streaming here. I see Oli right now streaming, and I see Isak, and I mean, a lot of people in the general calls are just chilling around with each other, just helping you out here. So yeah, definitely the reason why you do want to join this Discord server here, in my opinion. And yeah, I see, of course, a lot of people are joining the Discord server, because it is just truly valuable here. It's just really valuable. And I mean, yeah, Bitcoin, of course, still doing good here. I mean, we're just chilling with the trade here. Nothing all too interesting right now. Probably going to see a reversal anytime soon here. Still have to wait a little bit here. It definitely take some more hours. It can definitely take 4 hours or so. But I do think it's a very strong thing here. And I see you guys in the chat there. The Discord is so valuable here, etc. So the Discord, if you don't know how to join, is right now pinned in the live chat or in the description. Just quickly want to remind you guys here. Quickly want to remind you guys as well. So let me see. Yeah, of course, Bitcoin still valid here. I mean, this is a great box still holding up a support here, so very nice to see, of course. Link W breakout. Definitely. But I mean, Link is more farming. I mean, in the immediate short term, yeah, we can see we are in. Wait, I will get a clear Link chart, because maybe. Let me see. Maybe we are farming some kind of a channel here for Chainlink. Because maybe we're trading in some kind of parallel channel here to the upside. So maybe Chainlink is right now forming a parallel channel here, which is of course very nice, because it will show us that we are in an uptrend here. That is showing us that we are in an uptrend here. So let me know what you guys think. Let me see what you guys are saying in the chat here. Sorry, I don't have money to donate, but can you please check Journ.finance against BTC? I will check BTC here for you. I mean, I will definitely check this coin compared to BTC. Here, yeah, Journ.finance. Or this is not Journ.finance. It's with another. Oh, it's DeFi money. I'm sorry. It's DeFi money compared to Bitcoin. I mean, oh man, this is a massive downtrend here. First of all, I can say you right away here, this is a massive downtrend. And I mean, you cannot even use a Fibonacci tool because you're so far away from the previous highs here. And I mean, definitely this coin is in a massive downtrend, and can, of course, if it's going to reverse, it can reverse massively here compared to Bitcoin. But I mean, oh, why is it not working? But I mean, you should really take this with a lot of caution here, because you can definitely get wrecked pretty significantly here on this coin. I mean, you should really take this with a lot of caution here. I mean, this coin can definitely reverse to the downside even more here. I think we are not bottom even from here on. I mean, maybe this is something like the bear market, what we are going to see. We have to spot the bottom, exact bottom here for Bitcoin, and once again here. But I mean, spotting this with Bitcoin will be way easier. And I mean, I'm of course looking forward to see what we are heading towards here for the price of DeFi money, because a lot of people were talking about this coin here previously. But I mean, it's very hard to say what it's going to do here compared to Bitcoin. I mean, yes, it is right now still trading at support levels here, but if you are going to break it, you're having another free fall here to the downside a bit. I mean, yeah, this is for now on at least the bottom here. So it would be, of course, very lovely if you're seeing a reversal compared to Bitcoin. But I should really take it with a lot of caution here. I should take it very careful here. Don't rush into anything here with this coin. So, guys, still thank you so much for tuning in here on the stream. I see a lot of new people are joining here as well here. And also, almost 400 likes will be amazing if we can reach the 400 likes. We're only 27 likes away, so I definitely think that we can reach it. So, already looking forward to it, of course. And also, quickly, GRT. GRT, of course, still in consolidation here. I mean, we were creating a new uptrend here on the 4-hourly on GRT. Maybe we are breaking this uptrend already if you draw it like this here. So, of course, that will be, of course, very stubborn and very stupid, of course. But, I mean, this downtrend is still intact here for a GRT. So, definitely we'll be looking around here till we're going to see a break for GRT as well here. And maybe we're going to find some support at this Fibonacci level once again here, because you can see Fibonacci level holding up very strong here. And do think that GRT is going to blast off anytime soon here once again. So I will be definitely looking around here, and maybe we are in the immediate short term. If you look to the 1-hourly time frame, you can see maybe we are forming some kind of a descending triangle here. Maybe we are forming something like this here. More touches here on the downside, and maybe we're going to break out anytime soon here of this descending triangle. Of course, more likely to see a break to the downside here. But once we're seeing a break here, we can definitely reverse the price of GRT here. So also we'll be looking around here to see GRT explode as well here. So definitely very exciting times, guys. So let me know what you're around saying here. Thanks for helping, no problem, guys. I would love to help you all here, so let me know what your questions are, because I will try, of course, and answer the most amount of questions here for you guys, because I'm loving you guys. And quickly, we'll also get my water in here. Sorry. So quickly, also, we'll get some water in here, in this amazing mug here, of course. GRT is a beast. I mean, GRT is right now just doing nothing interesting here. And the reason why you buy into this coin, because it's not doing nothing interesting, and it's a very good project. It's a very good protocol. It's a very good API. And I mean, definitely it will give you very good returns in this bull market. I know for sure. So, water is very important, of course, for me. And I mean, GRT is, of course, a very good asset here, and can definitely perform very strong here. And also, just like PokerStart, they're still going to talk about this, because still think this coin is very good here. But also cooling off, of course. It has had a huge run up, but I mean, these coins are right now all cooling off here, and it's just basically making itself ready for another pump to the upside. And it would be stupid if you're not buying into it, in my opinion. I mean, you're getting so much opportunities right now. So much opportunities in the cryptocurrency space here. We're going to explode anytime soon here once again. Only a lot of altcoins are right now just cooling off here. You have to know, after cooling off, they're ready to explode once again here. And this next leg will be massive, and will be massive for the gains, guys. You have to know this next leg will be massive. And I mean, PokerStart can definitely, for the next leg, maybe do something similar here. A previous leg was approximately 500% here. If we're going to do a 500% once again here, I mean, definitely we can push this PokerStarter price chart to somewhere around $25 US. And I won't be surprised if we're seeing so. I won't be surprised if we're going to see PokerStarter sitting around $25 US here. It's not only PokerStarter. There are a lot of projects that will perform very good here in the coming days here. Definitely think these months, these coming 2 to 3 months here will be very exciting, and that's also a reason why I do want to be here. Subscribe to the channel, because we're going to witness this all together here, and I can see that we are only 60 subscribers away from the 23k here. So you guys are all loving it, you guys are all enjoying it, and people can say, do we have some more swing trade setups here except of Bitcoin? And of course, right now we're only in a swing trade of Bitcoin. Personally, I'm also in a swing trade of Ethereum on my personal account, but of course, also taking some personal trades here. Not everything for the training challenge. I do want to get, do want to let you guys know more about my personal trades as well here. And also, Selena, thank you so much for your support of the nation. Thank you so much for your support of Super Chat. But I mean, definitely also Ethereum will perform very strong here, mainly because you can see also, if you look to the chart here, I mean, Ethereum is looking very strong here. You can see also for Ethereum, you can right now see that we are finding support at previous resistance area. So I mean, Ethereum is looking for the immediate short term very strong here to explode to the upside here. And I mean, yeah, you can maybe call this an ascending triangle, but I don't really like it, to be honest, to call this an ascending triangle. But I mean, you can see that resistance is flipping into support. So Selena, you were saying, sorry, first time to donate, didn't know how to enter a message. But still, thank you so much for supporting the channel, of course. But I mean, very exciting, of course. But where's your Apple? People are saying, where's your Apple? Of course, guys. Right now, it's 10 at my place. It's 11 o'clock here. So definitely, it will be time for an Apple anytime soon here. And of course, I have enough apples here. And always enjoying my apples here, because it's very important to stay hydrated, of course, because apples are very good for your hydration. And of course, vitamins are very crucial here in the world, and I do think it's very important to take them. And yeah, I mean, Ethereum is just also looking very strong here, also with the huge hype run up. I think towards the month of July, we're going to see massive Ethereum hype and massive Ethereum accumulation here, and that's also the reason why I'm in an Ethereum swing trade position. And definitely, Ethereum will be a very important asset to hold also in your portfolio. So yeah, looking forward to it, of course. Looking forward to it. Looking forward to it all, and then probably you guys were going to witness this all together here. Of course, this price action. I mean, yeah, definitely. So these times are so exciting. I don't know what to say here. Don't know what to say. Very exciting times here. Very exciting times. Can't find the Telegram link. It's in the description, right? I will check it right away here. Oh wait, it's not in the description. Wait, I will add it right away here. I forgot it. I only had it in one video then, so I was not very active on Telegram here, of course. Not really used it all too much here. Invite link, copy. Okay, I will put it in the description right away here. Telegram. So I put it in this description. So if you're refreshing this page here, you can right away see the Telegram link here. So if you want to, you can right now, yeah, just use the Telegram. If you want to join the Telegram, you can refresh this video, and it is right now in the description. But of course, there will be some more moderators in the Telegram group here, because of course a lot of scammers, etc., are also in Telegram. So you have to take it with caution, guys. Please be careful, because there are too many scammers, and I cannot counter them all here. But yeah, if you really want to join me as well here on this on these trades here, on the swing trades, definitely make sure to use my FAMX referral link in the description, because we are taking these trading challenges here on FAMX. And I mean, definitely would be very lovely if you are doing so, because FAMX, of course, also giving you this huge deposit bonus of $680, and it would be very amazing if you were, you are using my referral link in the description here, because you will get some bonuses, and you will also support the channel because you're using so. Yeah, Ethereum is going to be huge in the month of July, and I definitely have to agree with you. Ethereum is going to be very important and very strong here in the month of July, and I definitely think it's very very nice. And people are saying it refreshes automatically, so that's pretty insane. I didn't know that it was refreshing automatically. And I can see a lot of people are joining the Telegram here. And it's just said hi here. So make sure, if you want to become a moderator as well here, you can definitely send me a message here. And because we are in need of new moderators here, also in the Telegram group here. So definitely make sure to message me, maybe, or say it in the Telegram group. And then after the stream, we'll go into that as well, because I find it very, very important and crucial, of course. So, okay, I quickly had to react to a message here. It was a very important message. I'm very bad at multitasking here. Sorry. Should I buy some Ethereum right now? I mean, you can definitely buy some Ethereum if you are here for the long run. You can definitely buy some Ethereum if you are here for the long run. And I mean, accumulating Ethereum is very important in my opinion for the coming, at least coming 2 to 3 months here. I think, just like you saw with some other coins here, the hype run-ups are usually the biggest run-ups here. Whoa. So yeah, quickly, I just after the stream, okay. So I just already got some people that want to become a moderator. So it's very nice. So the Telegram group is of course going to be a very active group here, and very exciting times. What we are going to do with the Telegram group as well here, going to build an even stronger community also on Telegram right now. So will be of course very amazing if you're also tuning in here in the Telegram group here. You can join it right away also here in the description. And people are saying, can you please talk faster? And I mean, I'm always talking fast once I'm getting very excited, but I mean, right now looking at Bitcoin, I'm getting already excited once I'm looking at Bitcoin, because you can see, of course, we are right now in the swing trade, and of course we are going to ride this trade to new all-time highs here. At least that is our strategy. And please, people are saying, can you check Bitcoin? Definitely, we can check Bitcoin. I mean, Bitcoin right now having this bounce off from this this great box here. And I mean, this bounce can only solidify anytime soon here. And I mean, 1 hourly looking very good here. I mean, reversal, in my opinion, is very likely to see here on the 1 hourly. And guys, you have to know, 1 minute till we're going to close this 1 hourly candle. Then we're going to close a new 1 hourly. Then we are going to open a new 1 hourly candle. And once opening this new 1 hourly candle, we are, of course, always seeing more volatility in the market. And let's see if this next 1 hourly candle will be green, or even if we can still flip this 1 hourly candle into the green. Because if we're right now getting some buying pressure, we can definitely still flip this this 1 hourly candle in the green. That will be, of course, very nice to see. But yeah, Bitcoin right now not doing anything interesting here. We only have to pump with $40 US dollars to flip this candle still in the green here. So definitely we still can here. And Mels, also thank you for your $5 Australian donation. You're saying, could you please check HDR compared to USDT? And I definitely will do after this 1 hourly candle will close here on Bitcoin. And thank you for your support of the nation, of course. Telegram link is right now in the description. So if you want to join the Telegram as well here, you can definitely do so. It's right now in the description. So it would be, of course, very nice if you are doing so. So it is looking like that we can still flip this candle into the green. And oh, we're fighting. And just 8 seconds remaining here for this 1 hourly candle close. And right now, yeah, closing this candle into the green, guys. That's absolutely insane that we are seeing this. Oh, no, we're not closing it into the green. So that was pretty unfortunate, of course. But I mean, very nice to see this candle showing a lot of indecision here. Just wicks on both sides here. So basically, this 1 hourly candle was doing nothing here. But I mean, we are very glad because we are in this swing trade position here. And right away, we'll look into HTR compared to USDT here. And definitely, I will give my thoughts about this chart because, of course, very exciting what we are seeing with this chart. I mean, let me see quickly. You can already see that you're forming an uptrend here. So uptrends, of course, getting formed here on these coins. Very exciting because you can see this uptrend is getting supported here because you're seeing multiple touches of this supportive line here. And definitely, once reaching this top side here, this will definitely act as very strong resistance because this is the previous all-time high. And you all know what is happening once you're touching all-time highs here. You always are having some resistance. So definitely looking forward to see this resistance getting broken here on this coin. But I mean, having another touch. I mean, if we're doing something like this here, touching this resistance line, then creating a rejection, don't think, okay, we're having a double top here. But if you're still getting supported by this level, you are in a clear ascending triangle, and it would be, of course, very nice to see because ascending triangles are usually very bullish bias patterns, especially because you're in a huge uptrend here. So I mean, definitely looking forward what this coin will do here. But I mean, right now seeing multiple scenarios can play out here for this coin still. And if we're going to see a break of this support, this resistance line, then see the retest here also would be very nice here. But I mean, this coin is in general, the chart is looking strong here. And definitely keeping an eye out here what this coin can definitely do here in the coming days and the coming hours here. Because, yeah, right now it's looking not all too bad here for hourly candle, of course. So it can still take a moment here. It can maybe take 3 days or so. 7 days even, sorry. It can approximately take 7 or 8 days till we're seeing a massive movement in this coin. But yeah, still have to accumulate more if you're willing and if you're believing in this project. But you have to be careful. Day 4 hourly can easily create a bearish divergence, because you can see here also creating a huge bearish divergence here. I mean, you can see creating a way higher high here, but still lower high in the RSI. So there was not a lot of strength here in the RSI. So it was yeah, showing us that we had this bearish divergence. And definitely, we can create another bearish divergence anytime soon here. So please be careful here. But I mean, if you're going to set a new high here, definitely you're already going to take out this previous high over here in the RSI. So I mean, looking very strong here, looking very good here. So let's see what this coin will do here in the immediate short term. So thank you for support of the nation. And yeah, we have to wait and see what this ascending triangle will do here. Have to wait and see. And I mean, 4 hourly candle also once again back into the green here. So that's very nice here. Nice to see, of course. So yeah, very exciting times for Bitcoin, of course, because we would like to see another retrace. I mean, another pump to the upside here. Of course, very exciting also to witness this live in the stream. And okay, I will look at the XRP because a lot of people are saying XRP in the chat here. But I mean, of course, XRP is increasing in value here. But you have to know, first of all, not a huge fan of XRP. And I don't think it will perform very strong here. And in my opinion, it's set to have another rejection here. I mean, 4 hourly candle haven't closed above this 0.5 Fibonacci chart level for a long period of time here. And of course, if we're going to close above it, this will be definitely a very good thing for XRP here, and can definitely push the price higher for XRP. But you have to know, I'm not even exposed to XRP for this coming bull run, because I don't think it will be a very strong asset here. It will not perform very good here. The lawsuit will take so long till it is finished. The bull run will already be over if the lawsuit will be finished. I mean, definitely this is not an asset that will perform very strong in my opinion. Of course, last 4 hours doing pretty good here. On the 1 hourly, we're breaking this Fibonacci level, but I mean, still can create a wick here on the top side, because if you want to look at the 4 hourly candles, yeah, I mean, if we're going to close this candle in 2 hours above this line, this will be definitely very strong here. But I don't really believe in it, so still going to wait. And I mean, if we're even going to increase in value, I wouldn't mind all too much, because I'm not scared to miss out here, because I know that I will make better gains here on these other altcoins. Why don't you like XRP? Especially because of the bull run. Bull run. Especially because of the lawsuit. And I want to buy coins that institutions are also buying in. And I mean, XRP is not the coin that institutions are looking to buy in right now. And I want to make some insane gains here. I want to be exposed to different sectors. And I don't really like, if I'm liking the project of XRP, I would should rather look at Stellar Lumens here, because Stellar Lumens can be very interesting for certain institutions. And I mean, I don't see XRP sitting in the top 10 here after this bull run. So also getting another support of the nation here. Let me look at your donation. Your donation right now. Hey Crypto Rover, in your opinion, what is the best? Hey Crypto Rover, in your opinion, what will give the best bump between ADA, BNB, and DOT? And in my opinion, probably Polkadot will have the most percentage gain here, in my opinion, in the coming run here, because I mean, Polkadot also looking to see a symmetrical triangle breakout here, and I do think ADA and BNB still will perform very strong here, and these 3 coins here will be coins that will be around here after this bull run still, in my opinion, because these are very good coins here, and a lot of new coins are built on their ecosystem. So especially, I like Polkadot here, but I do think these are coins will be around for a longer period of time. So getting exposed to these 3 coins is very important and very crucial, in my opinion. But if you look to Polkadot, yeah, I mean, Polkadot will probably perform the strongest here, in my opinion. And still think that the huge Polkadot ecosystem pump here is still yet to come here. And this bull run will be very strong for the Polkadot ecosystem coins here. And also Polkadot in general here. Symmetrical triangle breakout can be huge for Polkadot here. Can definitely push the price very high here. And once seeing a breakout, we can maybe see a Polkadot sitting around $50 or so. So I mean, definitely Polkadot is the coin that you do want to get exposed to. I mean, if you aren't exposed to all these coins yet here, I should, of course, no financial advice, I should get exposed to all of these coins here. And guys, by the way here, we are only 52 likes away from the 500 likes. Let's see if we can reach the 500 likes. It would be amazing if we can do so. I mean, I would certainly love it. So if you want to help me out here, smashing this up to 500 likes would be definitely one of the most interesting things, and I would certainly love it as well here. So if you can smash up the likes right away here, would be very amazing if you can do so. So let me know if you're doing. Is right now a good buying opportunity for Ethereum? I mean, definitely for the short term, I don't know for sure here, because it's very hard to say what immediate short term will do here. But I mean, yeah, like I told you before, I do feel bullish. I do feel bullish here on Bitcoin for the coming week here, and that's also the reason why I will probably feel very strong here on Ethereum as well here for the coming week, because Ethereum will just follow Bitcoin as well and probably will outperform Bitcoin also. So Ricardo also donated here, so thank you for the supportive donation here, Ricardo. And you're saying, can you please check Cocos compared to USD Tether? And I will definitely check Cocos here. I always have to stay hydrated here, of course. So Cocos, very exciting chart once again here. Creating an uptrend here. Also, maybe you can also say, okay, maybe we are in some kind of a parallel channel here, because you're also creating an uptrend on the top side here. I think you guys are hearing the same noise here as well. If you, let me see. So I will disable this after the stream, of course. Also, but I mean, if you look at this right now, very hard to say what you are heading towards, but I mean, you can set up a Fibonacci tool here real quickly here to maybe identify some levels of support, some levels as resistance to find the most amount of significance, because you do want to trade this right now in a correct way and a correct manner. And of course, want to look at the 4 hourly. Not a lot of information, first of all. There's not a lot of information about the chart here. But of course, we will keep an eye out on this chart. But I mean, if you look to this chart here, you can see we are breaking through this Fibonacci level we previously had a lot of issues with. You can see all these Fibonacci levels are holding up as resistance and right now holding up as support. So very crucial that we are breaking above this line here. But don't get me wrong here. We can still create a wick on the top side. So still want to wait 2 more hours, because 4 hourly candle closes are very important here. So definitely can see this coin reverse to the upside. And it's very hard to do some bigger time frame analysis on this coin, because there's not a lot of information about it. But I mean, still, if you're going to see a reverse to the supportive line here, would be still also very strong here. But yeah, taking out this previous high will be our next target for this coin. So once taking out this previous high and having this supportive bounce on it, would be very nice to see. But yeah, for now, I'm still breaking this 0.5 level here in the Fibonacci 2. This is the halfway point, the midway point. So if we're going to close above this, this will be already good, because then we are seeing, okay, this is not a dead cat bounce here. We're seeing a solid follow through getting created once again, and we are creating another higher low. So yeah, do want to see this break of the 0.5 level here with multiple 4 hourly candles before flipping insanely bullish once again here on this coin. So Tom Highland also donated here £2 here. Thank you so much for your support of the nation here once again here. You're saying, what levels would you scale into Bitcoin for a swing long here? And if you haven't know it already, we are right now in a swing long here for Bitcoin, because we do want to enter this. And there are multiple areas to accumulate more Bitcoin for a swing trade here. So if you really want to enter a swing trade right here, you can look at multiple levels here. You can look at this supportive gray box here. We entered over here our swing trade with a 4x here on Bitcoin. So if you want to enter over here, definitely here you have the opportunity. But if you want to enter at this supportive line here in this ascending triangle, is also definitely a possibility. Or you're going to enter once you're seeing a breakout. Once you're seeing a breakout, you can maybe go short here. Of course, I don't really like shorts. But I mean, and if you're seeing a break to the upside here and seeing this retest, definitely you can open your position over there. So there are definitely multiple levels that you can maybe look for an opportunity here in the price action. But right now we are still sitting on the sideline. I mean, we are still already in this Bitcoin swing trade. So for us, it doesn't really matter. But also getting another supportive donation here from Twisted Egos. And thank you for your $5 donation here. You're saying, I feel I may have fell in a Dodge hole. Should I hold long term, or is it something I should get out altogether? And it depends on which coin you are holding, of course. And I mean, Dodge hole. I mean, probably you're. I mean, it really depends here. In my opinion, I'm looking to accumulate more to hold for the long run here, because I'm trying to accumulate more Bitcoins right now to hold it for the longer run here, because I want to be here in 15 years and can say to you guys, you can already be a millionaire with 1 Bitcoin in let's say 10 years here. So guys, you have to know it. If you're accumulating more Bitcoin right now here, and that will be your strategy here. I mean, if you really want to become financial independent here, I mean, I want to create financial freedom. And if you want to do the same here, I should accumulate more and more Bitcoins, because of course you can take right now some good profits, but you have to know the game of Bitcoin. The longer you hold, the more gains you're going to make. The longer you hold, the more gains you're going to make here. So definitely this will be still the same thing here. Look at the logarithmic chart here. I mean, definitely we're going to do the exact same here. So of course you can try and time the market here, but with my holding position, of course I will definitely, with some portion of my portfolio, I will try and time the market here. But the most amount of my portfolio will just sit on it with Bitcoin, and I don't even care if we're going to write this to 40K once again here, because I'm going to sit on it for 15 years here, not going to look behind me. And of course, I will take profits once we're hitting 100k, and definitely looking to accumulate more once we're going lower, because probably a bear market will be starting anytime soon after that. So I will definitely be looking into it. But yeah, I mean, very exciting times. And guys, you're right now getting still an opportunity to buy Bitcoin relatively cheap here. So in my opinion, you should embrace this with both hands here. You should not, of course, you should think very clear about this. But I mean, this opportunity, you're not getting this every single day here, guys. You're not getting this every single day here. And of course, I mean, the opportunity that you're right now getting here, it is also the swing trade. It's basically to accumulate more Bitcoin, because yes, we can, if we're reaching 100k, we can accumulate 0.4 Bitcoin. And I mean, 0.4 Bitcoin is definitely a good accumulation for Bitcoin. And definitely looking to accumulate more and more once we are going higher and higher. So yeah, I mean, guys, you right now having this opportunity. I'm not going to say it all too much. And also another support donation from Andrew. You're saying, love the stream. Can I get your opinion about the current performance of XFS? Definitely, I will look into it. Definitely, I will look into it. And thank you for supportive donation, of course. Thank you so much for supporting the channel, of course. So very, very excited that you are, of course, asking me for my opinion. So definitely we'll look into it here. Quickly getting it in front of me. And you're saying, and whether it's a good coin to invest in, of course, cannot give you any financial advice here, but we'll definitely look into this coin. With my thoughts here, what I do think about this coin, because I cannot really give you fundamental research here. So I cannot really give you fundamental my fundamental thoughts about this coin, because it's very hard to say, because then I have to do research for every single coin here, and then we will be doing research every single day here. But I mean, this is definitely not looking strong here, in my opinion, first of all, because there's not a lot of information on this coin. Right now, looking at the daily, I will flip this to the 4-hourly, by the way. And I mean, if you look to the supportive box here, I mean, oh, sorry. I mean, definitely you're right now trading at support levels. So if you are looking to accumulate, you have to accumulate around here. But I mean, you should take it with a lot of caution here. You can really reverse lower with this coin, and that's also the reason why I'm very scared to buy this coin, because you're trying to catch a falling knife here. It's going lower and lower, and probably I don't know what this coin, what the fundamentals are, but I mean, you are buying with a huge sell. Of course, you're buying with a 63% sell. Well, it's very good, but maybe there's a big reason why it dropped 63%. Maybe the reason here is because the coin is not having good fundamentals or not a good developer team, and it was just a small hype cycle here. So still have to wait and see how this coin will go here. But I mean, yeah, definitely you should do more research, because you want to look at the fundamental research here before buying into these altcoins. You do want to do your research before buying big into these altcoins, and that's also what I'm always doing here. Don't rush into anything here, and of course it's very important to hold these altcoins, in my opinion, because they can make some insane amount of gains here, in my opinion, because you can definitely make still 500 to maybe 1500 here with certain altcoins. And maybe if this coin is really good here, and let's say the market cap is right now sitting around 50 million, you can definitely still make a 20x from here on. So please, I mean, take these opportunities here, but look at good projects. And I don't know if it's a good project, but if it's a good project, definitely, if you look to the technicals right now, getting this supportive bounce here, I mean, you can really look at this position to accumulate more. Made your Instagram is more empty than mine. Yeah, I definitely need to make some more posts here, but I'm not really making all too much posts here, but definitely I need to make some more posts here. And if you want to follow me as well here on Instagram here, you can definitely do so. It's at CryptoRoverYT here. But yeah, I will make some more posts here, of course. But also trying to plan here to move out to Seattle. But only the problem here with the government here, I cannot fly till the half of April, so I have to book it last minute. So I'm looking to go out here to Seattle and to America and to Dubai, of course. So I will definitely keep you guys up to date here on the Instagram page here. So definitely the reason why you do want to follow me on Instagram here. But I mean, yeah, still, it's very very annoying with COVID right now in the world. It's very hard to travel here around the world, because I do want to travel around the world, but it's just so restricted right now. So that's pretty annoying. But let me see what you guys are having. People are saying hi from my school. Very nice that you're tuning in here from your school, of course. I mean, Bitcoin still showing a lot of follow through right now, 3% of the trade here. I mean, we're looking to have 400% of this trade, and once having 400% of this trade, yeah, guys, it would be of course very amazing if we can see so. Trying to crush the market altogether here. Looking forward to see it, of course. Looking forward to see it. Let me see. Hi, I'm from Washington. It's the best state in America. It would be, of course, amazing. Oh, is FanMax not accepting new members right now? Let me say. So Femex is right now not accepting new members. That's pretty annoying. You can also, by the way, if you want a day trade, I mean, I should use Femex, of course. It's right now my favorite. And if you cannot use Femex, you can also use Bybit. And Bybit is also a very good and reliable exchange, but it's very trustworthy. And maybe it depends on your country, and maybe you have to use a VPN here if you want to trade here. So maybe you have to consider taking a VPN here. So it will be, of course, very nice if you're doing so. But yeah, let me know. And Ralph Abel also donated $2, but if you can maybe also use the Bybit referral link in the description if you want to trade on Bybit. So Ralph also donated €2, and you were saying Ethereum breakout. I'm in at 1700. So Ethereum, yeah, showing a lot of follow through. So Ethereum doing a pretty okay job here. Also, Bitcoin refers to the upside. Of course, very very lovely to see, very nice to see. But Ethereum, of course, you can maybe see. Yes. Let's say. Wait, I'm trying to fix this for you guys that you can go on Femex here. So sorry, I had to quickly react to this. But it's probably depending on your country. The US and China, you cannot access Femex from the US and China. Then you have to use a VPN. I mean, you can see right now for Ethereum, and you're talking about the breakout here. And by the way, people are saying good entry point for. Sorry, I was AFK here for a second. I have to look at this here. So NW, you are also saying good entry point for Ethereum. And before Ethereum breakout, I'm all in on 1700. I mean, guys, yes, definitely. You can see here, Ethereum was forming this very important resistance line here. And right now, you are finding support at the previous resistance line. And Bitcoin is also acting very strong here. So that's very nice to see here. So very glad that we got our entry in here for Bitcoin. So of course, we are all loving this to see this, of course. But guys, very exciting times what we are right now having here. Let me quickly look here because let me check this. Because, yeah, of course, we want to get more into these trades as well here. But I mean, right now it's looking very strong in my opinion. Of course, I will be loving to see. I'm getting loads and loads of issues. But guys, I thought some guys from Femex. I asked them, you can better maybe if you cannot use Femex right now, you can use a VPN here to still get on this Femex exchange. So if you still want to join us with these trades, you can use the VPN to still go into Femex. But I mean, Ethereum, of course, looking very strong, but I'm not going to rush into anything here. It all depends on Bitcoin. We are already in this Bitcoin swing trade, so that's also very good thing here already. And Danley, you also donated here €5. You're saying, can you check SRM here? And UTK here, so I will definitely check them. And I also see a lot of questions, and I see Lucas also saying, don't forget to hit that like button. And I definitely have to agree with you. You don't have to, you don't want to forget that, but we'll definitely look at it. And I mean, yeah, Ethereum, of course, you are looking to trade this, but I mean, yeah, right now it's looking very strong, and you can definitely take it if you're willing to trade it. I will not take it with the trading challenge, but if you're looking for a personal trade right now, if you're looking for an opportunity here, yes, you're right now getting this opportunity here. But I mean, I don't really like the setup because I don't have a clear price target. But yes, definitely, it's looking very strong here. Maybe Ethereum is finally going to purge once again to the upside here. And I mean, if you look at this chart, it's very likely to see Ethereum also taking off here on the daily. Ethereum is looking to see a reversal, so if you're right now taking a trade here on Ethereum, if you're in a long position, well, definitely do pretty good here, but I'm not going into it right now. But, of course, no financial advisor. But I will quickly look at SRM here. And right away, looking at the daily at this coin, so thank you for your support of the nation, of course. But right now, looking at the daily of this coin here, you can see very easy to create bearish divergence here because we're already cooling off for the RSI pretty significantly, and previously we were pretty overextended. So, I mean, if you look to the dailies on this Fibonacci chart, Man, this is showing a lot of significance. Man. You can see previous resistance in the Fibonacci chart is right now acting as support. So immediate short term looking very strong here. Do want to see more volatility getting created to the upside here, but I mean, this is looking very strong in the immediate short term. And Bitcoin is not the only coin that's looking strong here. There are multiple coins that are looking very, very good here, in my opinion. So I will be looking, of course, to see this coins going sky high here. So definitely, guys, a coin that definitely times that you do want to keep an eye out on. And I mean, it's very exciting to see what we are right now having here in the space in general here. And I do think it's very likely to see, this reverse to the upside coming in here for this coin. And I will also quickly check UT. This is different coin compared to USD Tether, of course. And also, once again, not a lot of information about this short, and we'll flip to the 4-hourly candles. I mean, a relative new coin here on TradingView. So, I mean, you first of all, right away spotting this uptrend here. So you're once again creating a very strong uptrend already ongoing here since the 3rd of January. So it's still intact here, still holding up here. So this is one of the most crucial lines that you're holding up. And sometimes you're moving away from it, but right now trading on it and right now moving away from it. So maybe going to kickstart another push up here anytime soon. So of course we'll be looking forward to that as well, but maybe forming right now a resistance line here because you're getting rejected by this level. So of course no exact touch here, because you do want to see 3 touches before really calling this a resistance line, but then you're forming a symmetrical triangle, and then we can really see a breakout anytime soon here. So definitely looking forward to this coin, but very, very hard to say what I think about this coin, because once again, also on this coin, not a lot of information here. And once you're not having a lot of information, it's very hard to say. Where this coin is heading towards. But I mean, definitely right now, still in this uptrend. Uptrend is very intact here. But yeah, definitely looking forward to accumulate more once you're hitting this this supportive line here, in my opinion. But guys, by the way, having 540 likes already. Thank you so much for where you're from. Thank you so much for. Yeah, liking the video here. But I mean, yeah, definitely hitting this supportive line here, it would definitely be an area that you do want to accumulate more here. And then just really quickly, a question. For the people that cannot sign up to Femex, where are you from? So yeah, quickly we'll go back in Bitcoin here. Quickly we'll go back in Bitcoin. So 600 people still haven't liked. Yeah, that's completely true. I'm doing all these things perfect. I will catch. That's right. So okay, everything is done. I mean, very, very exciting what you're seeing with Bitcoin right now. Of course, still in this Bitcoin trade. I'm not worried. We are looking to accumulate more Bitcoin here, and that's the reason why we are in the swing trade right now. So definitely looking forward to have this trade here. And guys, by the way, just quickly looking at the subscribers, I can see that we are only 19 subscribers away from the 23K here. Only 19 subscribers away. So we are watching with 1,270 people right now, and what I can see here in the insights, that only 50% of the viewers are usually subscribed to the channel here. So if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, make sure to do so right now, because then we can smash through the 23K subscribers, and that will be definitely one of the the most lovely things that you can do for me if you are willing to support the channel. So if you're new to the channel, would be very amazing if you're subscribing right away here. So definitely a thing that will be very cool here. So let me know in the chat if we reach the 23K subscribers, because then I will definitely look into it. And also we'll go more into your request here first, because I want to look more at Ethereum here, because Ethereum is really the coin that everyone is watching right now. And Ethereum, of course, also on the 4-hourly, looking like it's getting respected here on this gray box here. Ethereum is looking very strong here. Ethereum is looking like it's going to have more volatility here. I've subscribed, bro. Thank you so much for subscribing. You're in true legends here. And let's see, only 10 now away. We're getting very close here. Only 10 away. Oh, we just smashed through it. You guys, you just smashed through it. Do you stream every single day? Yes, we try to stream every single day here. Sometimes, because I'm very busy with fixing some stuff here. So this coming week will be the last hectic week here. And this week I have still some things to do here. So this coming week, the live streams will be a little bit later here still. But the week after, we will have more time. And we will, of course, try and do a daily live stream here. And of course, I will try and do long live streams here. But it really depends on the day and how my situation is for the day. But thank you so much for subscribing to the channel here. 23k here. You guys are absolutely insane. You are so supportive here. I don't know what to say here. You're always, yeah, I mean, you guys are the best here. Thank you so much once again for supporting the channel here. So, I mean, yeah, if you look to Ethereum here still, finding support at this level here is a very nice level to find support at, and I mean, yeah, you guys are truly valuable here. You are one of the, yeah, the best community that I have, best community that I can wish for. Also in the Discord server, you guys are just yeah, so amazing here. We're only 20 members away from the 9,000 members here in the Discord server, so truly valuable, truly lovely, of course. And Lucas, you're a true legend also in the chat here. When are you going to move to Dubai? I mean, this right now is way too hot over there. But the point here is, once let's say half April, we can move here, because the Netherlands is very restricted right now with traveling, etc., and it's very restricted because of the coronavirus. But if we're heading towards April, it will become better. So yeah, I'm of course looking forward to move here, but it really depends on how the government is going to say, like you're allowed or you're not allowed here. So it really depends on the government right now. So of course, would love to move out here anytime soon here. You're Dutch. Yes, I am certainly Dutch here. I'm from the Netherlands. Thanks for the information, bro. No problem. We will of course discuss this charts every single day here with you guys, and of course we are loving to do so. We are loving to discuss this every single day, and I mean, I find it also very lovely that you guys are yeah, I mean, so supportive here. So definitely we'll go into more information here also, but regarding to Bitcoin, I mean, definitely looking forward to see this resistance line getting broken here on the top side, ascending triangle. Also very exciting times here, and I do think that this week can be a very strong week here, and still also going to look here at the dollar index. I mean, dollar index is still increasing in value, but I mean, you can see also the daily is heading towards overbought territory, and always once you are overbought here, also in the dollar index, you can see it's very likely to see a rejection coming in here. And a rejection in the dollar index, I mean, that would be definitely very strong here. And I mean, we are right now trading at the previous support, so definitely looking for a rejection anytime soon here. And the dollar index is right now only increasing because we have so much faith coming into the dollar index because of the stimulus checks, of course. But I do think also once we were seeing the previous stimulus checks getting wrote here, I mean, there was also the same thing. You saw for the let's say 2 or 3 days, you saw an increase of value, and after that you saw the drop off once again coming in here, just like you saw over here. So over here, I mean, so I no, it was over here. So I do want to look at it where it was exactly, but I mean, you want to be careful here because these stimulus checks will, in my opinion, only yeah, drive more yeah, more inflation into the market and only more money to Bitcoin. So definitely looking forward to it. So people are saying it's time to buy Ethereum. Yeah, definitely you can buy Ethereum. Of course, no financial advice here. Definitely no financial advice here. But I mean, definitely there are some very good moments to buy into these coins right now. You're having definitely very strong buying opportunities here. And people are talking about Chainlink breaking out of a 1 hourly symmetrical triangle here. So definitely I have to agree with you. Chainlink is looking like it's breaking out here. But the point here is I don't really like the volume here on Chainlink. I don't really like the volume here. The volume is way too low here, in my opinion. So yeah, I mean, yeah, we are seeing a breakout right now. But I do want to see more volatility getting created here on Chainlink. So definitely still waiting on the sidelines for now, at least. And I mean, yeah, maybe you can take a trade here on Chainlink as well, because I think it's very likely to see the market reverse anytime soon here. And I mean, it's very lovely to see, of course, what Chainlink is doing right now. Let's see if Chainlink is going to create more volatility here. Of course, would be very lovely to see. And we would, of course, would like to trade this, but Still taking it with a lot of caution here. Still taking it slow here because I mean Ethereum is looking very strong to trade right now because Ethereum is looking strong, and you know, once Ethereum is increasing in value, we can usually see these other altcoins benefit from it as well. But right now only in a Bitcoin swing trade here. But it is looking like that these altcoins are going to take off anytime soon here. So definitely looking forward to see these altcoins blasting off here to the upside. And I cannot literally wait here till we're going to see this blast off for these altcoins. Checks will more likely roll out this week here in the coming 2 to 3 weeks and days. I mean, it's completely true. Tomorrow there will be the official approval from the Fed, so the checks, the stimulus checks, are going to be here anytime soon, guys. And you guys have to know it. This will be massive for Bitcoin, and that is also the main reason why you do want to be in this swing trade, what we discussed earlier today. And this is the main reason. Of course, I don't want to drive any FOMO here. I don't want to drive any super trades here, because you always want to trade at very good technicals as well here. But I mean, guys, the main reason here is these stimulus checks. You have to know they're going to buy Bitcoin with it. They're going to buy 1.9 trillion is a huge amount of money, and it's going to be giving a huge boost here for Bitcoin. And that is also, we are also looking at the news here, because we're also looking at the main factors that we can see, because this can definitely drive a huge FOMO into Bitcoin. We can see huge increases in price here. And this is also one of the thousand reasons why I'm right now in this trade here. And also with my personal account, I'm with a particularly huge swing trade here. So I mean, doing a very good job here. And always be careful with trading with your portfolio. Don't take a large amount of money. But I mean, trading with low leverage is low risk here with potential high rewards. How I look to the scenario right now. So I mean, definitely, if you want to join us as well, you can sign up through FAMX here. If you cannot sign up in your country, you can use a VPN here. But I mean, FAMX, we're going to take this trade together here, guys. And also, you can join us here in the Discord server if you want to know the exact details about every single trade here, of course. But I mean, swing trading is right now our strategy, and we're definitely looking to accumulate more and more here. And as we are going higher here, this definitely will be a good thing here. My prediction is that Bitcoin first pumps, and it's more likely to see the altcoins follow. And that will definitely be a very likely thing to see here. And I mean, guys, these stimulus checks, these are huge. And if you're loving the content, by the way, make sure to right now smash with the likes here. It will be amazing if you can do so. I love when you get so excited. I mean, I'm getting so excited just thinking about the market and thinking how this week will end here. Because, guys, this week will be massive here. This will be a massive week for Bitcoin. This will be massive for our trades. This will also give massive opportunities. And I want to take this opportunity right now, because we're still looking at this opportunity relatively early. And, yeah, right now, these are very good times to accumulate more Bitcoin, guys. And this is just also the main reason. You do want to... look at the chart right now. You do want to take these opportunities here. You do want to look at the bigger picture, because bigger picture is very important for me. I mean, yeah, you can right now accumulate so much Bitcoin here. And guys, we're going to create a leg up here to maybe 70k here in the coming days, or maybe 80k, and then cool off once again here. So it is going to be very exciting, guys. And you do want to be a part of it, because we're going to crush it all together, of course. And I mean, yeah, right now still watching with 1,300 live viewers, guys. You are so insane here. You guys are... Yes, so supportive as well here. So definitely, I would love to see Bitcoin, of course, increasing in value here. I mean, I would love to see Bitcoin retracing here to maybe 40k here, because if we're retracing to 40k, I can accumulate more, and I wouldn't be mad if I get stop out of this trade here. If I go out this trade and we see Bitcoin cooling off for 3 more weeks here, but you do want to look at the facts right now, and the fact is that Bitcoin is very bullish right now, and Bitcoin also with the stimulus checks. I mean, I don't want to miss out on this, and there's also yeah, just the main reason why we are in this rate right now. And people are saying Litecoin. I will definitely look at Litecoin here. And guys, you have to know, we're going to accumulate more and more Bitcoin here. And we're going to make some massive games here. And I'm not going to do this all alone here. We're going to do this all together. And I mean, Litecoin, very exciting what we are seeing with Litecoin. Once again, a supportive touch here at this lower side of this Fibonacci level. So that is also already very exciting what we are seeing. So I mean, Litecoin once again getting supported by the supportive line here. So Lucas, you're also saying exciting times, loads, possibilities to make profits. And that's completely right. We are here to make profit. And I mean, with spotting a market reversal, if you look to the news and if you look to the technicals, that is definitely a very good thing and definitely a very strong thing. And maybe these big companies can also announce a lot of things here, so they can drive a lot of FOMO here into the market. And of course, we are already exposed to the market, so we are going to benefit from that. And also, because these big companies are investing, we are going to benefit from them, and they are not going to benefit from us, because we will try and get out of Bitcoin once we are in need of so. But for now on, it's not looking that we have to exit Bitcoin, that we have to exit altcoins. So we're right now still looking very strong. But looking at Litecoin, first, sawing a breakout of the symmetrical triangle, but then we still re-entered the channel, even though we had this previous touch here, flipped into support. We went a little bit higher to $195, but still seeing a retracement coming in here for Litecoin. You can see getting supported by the supportive line here. Very strong to see. Very nice to see that we're getting supported. So right now, maybe looking to have another breakout to the top side will be, of course, very nice if we can see so. So that is the reason that we still have to wait a little bit longer here to see Litecoin really reverse to the upside here. So yeah, still have to wait a little bit longer at the sidelines. But I mean, yeah, we are seeing right now this this breakthrough, of course, and maybe we can draw this a little bit different here, and you can see it like this. But I mean, I still have to wait a little bit longer here before Litecoin is really going to break out. But yeah, you're forming a symmetrical triangle in a downtrend, so we can also still break to the downside here. But of course, we are feeling very bullish right now on Bitcoin, so it's not likely for Litecoin to break to the downside as well here. So guys, this is definitely a thing that we have to look at. But I mean, you want to be realistic. You want to look at the technicals in a good way here. And you can see that we are going into this trend here in a downtrend. And I mean, making a pattern in a downtrend is usually showing that we are going to have another leg down here. So of course, technicals is right now looking pretty bearish in my opinion. It's more likely to see a breakdown than a break to the upside here. But of course, we want to keep everything in mind here. And that's also the reason why we are looking to the chart on this way here. And I mean, Ethereum also increasing massively in value, and also Bitcoin doing very strong. Finally, we are 1% up in our trade right now, approximately 5% already in the upside. So that's already $200. So we're doing a very good job here, crushing this market altogether here, guys. I am loving to see this. I would love to crush this market, hold the swing trade for a longer period of time here, and see the swing trade going towards the 80k, because I think it's a very likely that we can do so. So, of course, very exciting times, guys, and this can be very legendary here, in my opinion. And also, Ethereum, I mean, I do want to go back to Ethereum right now, because Ethereum on the 4-hourly, guys, this is absolutely looking very strong here and getting, once again, very excited here. Sorry that I'm getting maybe a little bit overexcited. Maybe you're thinking so, because I mean, if you look at the chart here of Ethereum compared to Bitcoin, Ethereum compared to US dollar here, I mean, definitely right now seeing a very strong supportive bounce here, and this is definitely very crucial here for the price of Ethereum, because we can right now maybe reverse still to the upside here, because we are hitting this supportive box here, because previously we were seeing that this candle was in the red here on the 4-hourly, where we can see that we were still trading at it, but right now looking that we are finding a clear supportive bounce. So that's very nice to see. But we got, also, like people right now saying, please be careful, because don't FOMO into trades right now, because I'm not saying that you have to rush into a trade right now. I'm only saying that I'm taking this opportunity right now in the market here, but you do want to take it with a lot of caution here. You do want to take it very safe here, in my opinion. You do want to take it slow here, because you don't want to rush into anything here. You do want to take it yeah, with a lot of caution just in general. I'm also just, you have to sit on, maybe, I mean, Ethereum is looking very strong to trade right now, because Ethereum is likely to see a bounce here, also in Ethereum compared to Bitcoin. But I mean, yeah, you do want to think twice before opening a trade. At least use low leverage, because otherwise you're getting wrecked here. Buckle up and enjoy the ride here with this Bitcoin train going up here. But look for entries and be careful with your assets, and manage your risk here. Yeah, guys, risk management is very important. And Lucas, thank you so much. You're a true legend here. And yeah, I mean, you're a true legend. Send me, by the way, a DM here. Send me a DM on Instagram, Lucas. It would be amazing to chat with you. But I mean, definitely, we discuss this. Sorry, definitely. I drank too much water here in a quick amount here, and a quick pace here. I mean, but I mean, we discussed Ethereum here previously once it was sitting around 1700. Well, yeah, I mean, definitely you're getting a strong opportunity here. This 4-hourly candle to wick where we are right now is approximately already 3.4% here. So Ethereum is acting very strong here. Ethereum is looking very, very good in general here. So I will be looking forward to see where Ethereum is heading towards. And I think, yeah, definitely we can see Ethereum increase in value here. And definitely, I think that Ethereum can go to 2K once again very sooner than later here. So people are saying, what is the entry point for Ethereum? And I mean, there are multiple entry points here, but we were first discussing this already. You don't want to FOMO into this trade here of Ethereum. You do want to chill out. You do want to wait. You do want to relax. You do want to look at the chart first before entering a trade here, because that is the biggest mistake that a lot of people that are new to the space are making. And I mean, $1,700 at least. You have to going into long position right now would be, in my opinion, very stupid here because we are way too high already on the 4 hourly. I mean, we already got this bounce here. If you want to enter it, you had have entered at around the $1,670 or somewhere around the $1,680. Right now, entering will be, in my opinion, very stupid. I tweeted my setup already to you, Lucas. Definitely, I will look at that, of course. But I mean, definitely very exciting what we are seeing with Ethereum here. Definitely very interesting what we are seeing here. But I mean, going into a trade right now and definitely set up $1,670. I mean, if we're going lower here, once again, maybe Bitcoin is doing something weird then, and then we have to reschedule and we have to think at a different way at the chart. But I mean, entering right now would not be smart. But if you want to enter trades, you can, of course, use my referral links. But I mean, please take it with caution. Don't rush into a trade right now. Yes, we can definitely solidify this bounce. We can definitely go higher, but you do want to take it with a lot of caution because also we are heading towards very strong resistance here. Because you can see also this gray box over here was holding up as very strong support previously and will most likely act as very strong resistance. So definitely a level that you do want to keep an eye out on if you're looking to Ethereum here. And of course Chainlink also performing very strong here because of course our friend Ethereum is doing a very good job here. But still, you do want to take it very safe. You do want to take a safe approach here, not rushing into anything here. And that is also our main strategy here. Don't rush into anything. So, of course, very excited what we are seeing here once again here with you guys. And still, 1,400 live viewers, guys. You are insane. You're so supportive here, and we're also heading towards the 23.1k subscribers. We're once again growing so quickly here, guys. So if you're new to the stream, thank you already for tuning in here. And it would be, of course, very amazing if you're right now subscribing to the channel because you will be a part of this family and you will be a part of this journey that we are going to write all together. Because we're not going to write this journey all alone here. We're going to do this completely for free for you guys. We're going to give you our insights here on these trades here. And if you want to join these trades, of course, you can do so. But I mean, if you want to support the channel, just subscribe. It will be already mean a lot for me. And I mean, you will be, of course, very massive, massive supportive, of course. And it would be very lovely if you're doing so. So let me know if you are subscribed to the channel here. Yeah, I mean, Lucas, you're saying it right away in the chat here. But I mean, I'm getting very excited because of Ethereum right now. And of course, also Bitcoin, because we're getting these huge opportunities here in the market. And of course, we're only 5% in our trade right now. But you have to think big here. You want to get on into a trade, in my opinion. But of course, you do first want to look at good fundamentals and a good entry point here. But you do want to be in a long position here. You do not want to short here, because if you're shorting in this market, you're completely getting wrecked here. And people are... Nordy, thank you for support of the nation. You were saying, can you please check Spark Point? And I will definitely do so. So thank you, of course, for your support of the nation here. And I will definitely check Spark Point for you. And oh man, once again, I cannot see a lot of information about the chart. There were two charts here. Okay, there's not a lot of information about this coin. So it's very hard to give my thoughts about this coin. Man, there's not a lot of information about this coin, man. I will definitely check it, but I mean, it's very hard to say. Of course, this uptrend is probably not even valid because we have so less information. So you do really want to take it with a lot of caution here. You do really want to take it slow here. You do really want to take it slow here. And I mean, definitely, please be careful with these new coins on the market. But it's very hard to give my thoughts about this. Sorry, man. Sorry, man. I cannot really give my thoughts about this coin. But I mean, Bitcoin is solidifying and going higher here. So Bitcoin is still holding up very strong here, doing a very good job here. Also maybe going to give away a prize pool here on Femex, so it's very interesting. But of course, you will be up to date here what we will do here, of course. But definitely these times are becoming very exciting. I mean, these trades are also very exciting times, guys. And Bitcoin, of course, also refers to the upside. I mean, you should be very happy to be alive. And check ADA here real quickly. And definitely we'll check ADA, but ADA, of course, still cooling off for a second here. And also ADA compared to Ethereum is still decreasing in value here. So still going to say the same here. Still going to wait a little bit longer here. Of course, I would love to get an entry here on ADA compared to Bitcoin once we're reaching the top side of this these previous resistance levels. That will be one of the best entry points here. And we are only looking for one of the best possibilities here, of course, to enter a trade here. And I mean, looking to Cardano, definitely once hitting these previous resistance lines here on the top side, this will definitely be very strong areas to accumulate more more Cardano compared to Ethereum, because we want to look at the Ethereum valuation here if we also look to Cardano here, because we want to compare these assets to each other, and we want to look at which asset is giving you the most profitable scenario right now. And for now on, of course, it was Ethereum for the last days here. And I do think once we're heading towards these levels here, I can definitely think that Cardano can definitely increase once again here in value, and also see a huge increase in price here once again. And also just quickly looking at Chainlink, because Chainlink is also, this last hour, Chainlink is showing a lot of follow through right now. So Chainlink, of course, doing a very good job here. And guys, a lot of coins are right now doing a very good job here. So definitely looking for Chainlink to break out here anytime soon here. So also definitely very exciting times to trade here, because right now, once again, guys, you have to know it. You're getting huge opportunities to trade here. You're getting huge opportunities to trade on Femex. You can trade on Bybit here. But I mean, certainly these opportunities, you have to embrace them once again here with both hands here, because yeah, it are just very exciting times here. And I mean, if you want to trade with me on the exact same digits, yeah, definitely would advise. Femex here. And people are saying, just subscribe. Could you check District 0x here? And of course, I would right away check District 0x here. DTN. Oh, I forgot the tag here, but it's DTN. And of course, District 0x also very exciting project here. But quickly, just looking at the Fibonacci tool here, because of course this is always giving us a lot of information right away. If we look to the bigger picture, you can see we were holding up on this level for quite a while here. We were holding up here around the 1.618. But since we dropped below it, of course, this was already around the 22nd of February. We dropped below this level, and right now we were consolidating at this lower level. So, of course, we are still in a downtrend, creating a lower high. But the point here is that you're finding support at the previous all-time high. So, previous also all-time high was holding up its very strong support, and you can see here also holding up its very strong resistance. So, right now looking very strong, in my opinion, in the immediate short term. So you got a loads and loads of buying opportunities, loads of accumulation zones here. So definitely looking very strong for District 0x here, looking to reverse the price even higher here. So heading towards the 30 cents once again here, and this will be a very major resistance level that you do want to break here before we can flip insanely bullish once again here on District 0x. So guys, I will definitely be looking forward to towards this coin here, and I will have to wait and see how this will go here. But yeah, let's see where it is heading towards, because if we're hitting this 0.3 cents here, 30 cents here, this will definitely be a very strong resistance level. But once breaking, so we can really look for opportunities to long this coin as well here. I'm of course already exposed to District 0x here, also 0x itself. I like these protocols, of course. And of course, DeFi is very important to get exposed to, and I think the bull run will be, especially in these new sectors here, with the DeFi sector, the Polkadot eco sector. I mean, these sectors you do want to get exposed to, and I think it's very important that you are exposed to these sectors. Also, the Polkadot ecosystem coins will do very strong here in general. And guys, yeah, definitely. District 0x will also perform very strong here, but yeah, I do want to see once we are breaking the 30 cents here before flipping insanely bullish once again here. But guys, I'm already getting very excited because I'm seeing these possibilities return into the market. And you guys have to know, for the last 2 weeks, we were just cooling off here in the Bitcoin chart, but right now we are making ourselves ready once again here to see massive increases in valuation once again. And you are still watching right now at a pretty early time here, because you're right now still getting these opportunities to accumulate these coins at relatively low prices. And people are too fantastic is right now saying, can you please check Cody? So I will definitely check Cody here. So thank you so much once again for supporting the channel. But right away, if I look to Cody, you can see big weight getting created on the top side. Please take it with caution. Daily extremely overextended. Please take it with caution. You do want to chill out here, because if you're right now rushing into this coin, you can definitely get wrecked here. And also, if I look to the like count here, guys, I see we're watching with 1,400 live viewers, but we're right now having 681 likes here. So only 19 likes away from the 700 likes. Would be amazing if we can reach the 700 likes right away here. So if you haven't already, make sure to like that video here. It's only taking 5 seconds of your time here. And if you're willing to support me completely for free, would be very lovely if you're right now hitting that like button. Would be, of course, very nice. And I would be appreciating you, of course, with my heart here. So yeah, let that like button, hit that like button would be, of course, very amazing. But if you look to Cody, you can see right now a big wick on the top side is already making me feel very bearish, at least in the immediate short term. You can see for hourly also closing with a big wick on the top side. I mean, there are a lot of sell orders, so please take it with a lot of caution, because you can definitely reverse this price a little bit lower here, and we can definitely see another reversal coming in here. So you do want to play it with a lot of caution. You do want to take it slow here. You don't want to rush in anything here. Yeah, you just want to chill out here with the price of Cody here. And definitely, if you're entering right now, also the 4 hourly pretty overextended. And I see we already reached 725 likes here. Guys, you're always smashing these likes here. Absolutely amazing, of course, with what I am seeing right now. But I mean, I should not rush into Cody right now. Too overextended for me. Yeah, you can see since breaking this resistance line over here, we flipped insanely bullish here. But I mean, yeah, it's very hard to see here. But I mean, entering right now would be, in my opinion, not all too smart here. It will be suicidal. I mean, you will. I mean, this will be very unfortunate if you're getting wrecked right now, because so overextended. Very like to see a reversal. So should stay away from it. Of course, it can go way higher, but it's just the risk to reward situation is right now not good enough here. The risk that you are willing to take here for the potential reward is not good enough, and that's the reason why you should not step into it right now. And of course, no financial advisor. And Smoke a lot 420 donate here. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. Of course, you're saying, what are your thoughts on GFI? You're not finance. I mean, damn, these sounds are always so loud here in my ears, and I always get caught off guard here when listening to these sounds here. But I mean, you're not finance, of course, very exciting coin here, very exciting price action as well. And if you look to the daily, of course, there's not super much information about this coin, but definitely there is some very major resistance levels here, also on the daily. And I mean, we haven't clearly broke above this level here. And I do want to see a daily close above this level, and then I will flip insanely bullish, of course, on this coin. But I mean, yeah, you got loads and loads of buying opportunities here around this white line of support. So definitely, if you look to the bigger picture, this coin is looking very strong here and looking to blast off anytime soon here. But I mean, this white line of support, of course, sometimes we are wicking below it, or we're closing a little bit below it on the 4 hourly. But in general, you have a very good buying opportunity and a very strong buying opportunity once you're buying at these levels here. So Ethereum.Fine is, of course, a very exciting and very good coin here, in my opinion, to accumulate here. But heading towards resistance, and right now also, if you look at these previous stops here, if you look at these previous stops over here, you can see that we are once again trading against resistance. And if I remove the top side, I mean, yeah, you can see trading against resistance, and also previously was acting as support. Maybe because we're closing above it and right now getting supported by this level, we can create a new uptrend here for Ethereum.Fine. So that would be, of course, very nice to see. And of course, guys, I want to answer your questions, but please don't spam in the chat here. I want to answer your question, but there are a lot of questions coming in here, and you have to know I cannot answer every single question here. And I mean, yeah, right now looking at Ethereum.Fine, as you can see, we are getting resistance at this top side multiple times here, but right now breaking through here, also supported by this level multiple times. So looking forward to see it. Looking forward to see it. So. Also, we'll quickly go back in Bitcoin here, and then we'll look at your questions here in the chat. Will be, of course, amazing if I can answer your questions here. So let me see. People are saying morning, and so, man, if you're spamming, please don't spam in the chat. Please don't spam in the chat, because if you're spamming, I won't answer your question here. But I would like to answer every single question, of course. People are saying GRT. And I will definitely look at GRT here first. But I mean, I already discussed GRT for a long period of time here. You can see a reversal was coming in over here. You were seeing W getting formed, but still got rejected here. So, I mean, for now on, still, of course, looking very good here. I like to see what we are right now having with GRT here. GRT is just accumulating at these levels here. And right now just accumulating around these levels, what is very nice, of course, to see with GRT. But I mean, GRT is likely to explode anytime soon here, in my opinion, especially with the Bitcoin market reversing right now. It is giving you very good opportunities to scale into GRT here. Uh, let me see. And if you're spamming in the chat, you will get blocked here. So please don't spam in the chat. And let me see. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the stream here. Welcome for tuning in here. Thank you for tuning in here, of course. Thank you for tuning in here in the stream. BTC is going to break 53k here. That would be amazing if we can see Bitcoin breaking 53k here. And especially if we're going to break this level, this will definitely be huge for Bitcoin. This definitely will be huge. And I do believe that we can see a lot of volatility on this Monday getting created here. Especially right now, in let's say 2 hours, 3.5 hours, the Classic stocks is also going to open here, so we're going to see more volatility today. Of course, it's Monday here, so let's see if we can make this a very nice green Monday here. And of course, we would certainly love to do so. So I mean, Bitcoin, of course, would be very exciting. What we can see with Bitcoin. Crypto Rover, you are a superhuman. You are already being a superhuman. You have answered so many questions. You are doing an amazing job here. Thank you for helping us. And guys, you have to know it. I want to answer all your questions, but it's very hard to see 1,300 live people. And I mean, 1,300 people are asking you questions, and it's very hard to answer all the questions. So of course, I will try and do my best here, but I cannot make everyone happy. But I will try, of course, and do it. And Ethereum price this month, I definitely think this month can be huge here. And we can make a minor prediction here. We can make a minor prediction because I do think in 1 month of March here, if we look right now to the daily candles here. So let's say the coming month, I don't think we can go to the top of this band here in 1 month here. But let's say let's be a little bit conservative. Let's say from here on, I want to reach it from here on. Still think. Let's say 20% increasement compared to Bitcoin, Ethereum. So Ethereum will then increase 20% more than Bitcoin. So there will be already sitting around 2K here. So I do think that 2.5K by the end of the month, 2.5K towards the 3K here for Ethereum can definitely be a target for here to the end of the month here. And maybe you think I'm too optimistic here, but guys, right now this month will be insane. This month will be an insane month for Bitcoin. This month will be insane for the altcoins, and definitely will be insane also for Ethereum. And El Toro once again donated. Thank you so much for your super chat. And you're saying, "Hey, Bud, what are your thoughts on AVAX for the long run? What is the next resistance level?" Great work. Thank you so much for supporting once again here. And we'll right away go into AVAX, of course. But I mean, month can be very strong here. Month can be very strong here. So quickly we'll remove this line here. I mean, AVAX right now trading between these two ranges here. So very nice to see. Of course, you're getting rejected by the top side of this this resistance level. So rejected by this top side multiple times already, and getting supported by this lower side was also very nice. So basically, trading between these two ranges here, you're seeing some consolidation, what is of course very nice to see, because then we can finally go off for this coin. And of course, you had this huge run up here, and AVAX, I don't clearly know the good fundamentals about this, but I mean, if you just purely look at the chart here, you can see, okay, we are right now having this consolidation level right now, and we're right now consolidating around these levels. And once consolidating, of course, it's very exciting to see here, because yeah, while consolidating, we are right now giving another opportunity to accumulate more. But yeah, still in a downtrend here. We're getting pushed lower and maybe forming this descending triangle here. And I mean, the next resistance, we are right now trading against resistance. And I see Jay also donated here. So we'll go into your donation as well in a second, Jay. But I mean, if you look right now to AVAX, definitely accumulation levels. I mean, you're in a descending triangle and the trend is to the downside. So it's more likely to see a price move to the downside here. But of course, if Bitcoin is going to reverse to the upside, definitely have to agree with you. This coin can definitely go to $33. But if breaking to the downside, $15 will be the target. And yeah, definitely keep an eye out on this chart, but don't really believe it that it will break to the downside here. But you have to keep this chart in mind here. If we're really breaking to the downside here, yeah, you have to keep this in mind that we can still break to the $15 here. So Jay, also, and I mean the next, I will go into your donation in a second, Jay, but I mean the next resistance target will be around the $32 here. This will be the major resistance level. You can see also previously already rejected by this level, but once breaking above this level once again here, we can flip and look for some new all-time highs getting created. So first have to break this $32 before flipping insanely bullish once again. So let me see. Hey buddy, have you heard from Deflect? You should do some research what they're doing as a deflationary cross launch bet into Ethereum, Matic, Binance Smart Chain, Tomo, and XDAI. And I haven't heard. Oh, sorry, I haven't heard from this coin yet here. My friend, I haven't heard from it yet, but I'm looking to buy more in YLD here, because YLD will probably do very good. Will do very good because they are also a very interesting project, and also they are also creating 20% API approximately. So that coin is also very good. So I know I'm looking into some more new altcoins, some very good gems here, because there will be some very insane gains here in this bull market be made here in these altcoins. But I mean, not a lot of there is not a lot of information on this coin here. I do want to do some more research, but I cannot do my fundamental research live in the stream. But also with this coin, I will make a screenshot there, Jay. What I did with some other coins here. I mean, I would definitely want to do some more research here because, of course, if you're giving me these tips here, I have to benefit from them because you're also helping me out here. So after the stream, I will look into this coin here. I'm always making a note list here. So always once you have a very good coin here and you say, okay, Rover, you really need to look into this coin. I just make a screenshot of your donation. So definitely we'll look into this coin here. And maybe once I'm seeing a very clear opportunity and do believe in the project as well here, I can tell it to you guys also in the stream here. So it will be definitely lovely if we can... make some more gains altogether, of course. So I mean, let's see if Bitcoin can still increase here. I mean, yes, I mean the previous 1 hourly candle was pretty green here, and we just opened a new 1 hourly candle, guys. We just opened a new 1 hourly candle. Of course, very nice to see here. So another 1 hourly candle. So let's see if we can still flip this another 1 hourly candle into the green. Will be, of course, very amazing if we can see so. And let's see if we can create more volatility here. Mine is still 4% of the trade. That's of course very amazing, of course. But we do want to flip this trade into let's say 100% or so in the coming week here. So it will be, of course, very amazing if we can do so. So let's see if we're going to crush the market altogether. And it will be, of course, very lovely if we can do so. Where can you buy these altcoins? A lot of altcoins, you can buy them on Uniswap or 1inch or all these swap exchanges, or you can buy them on Binance in general. And if you want to use my Binance referral link as well, it's also in the description here. I mean, if you want to day trade as well, what we are right now doing here, you can also use the Femix referral link here in the description, and will be, of course, also very lovely if you are doing so. So, yeah, definitely looking forward to it. Please show us your trade. Yeah, right now here in this Bitcoin swing trade, because we're trying to ride this trade to new all-time highs here, because we are here for the long run here. We are thinking that Bitcoin is going to reverse to the upside also, especially if you look to some more indicators. If you look to the stimulus check getting given out right now. I mean, I feel very strong about Bitcoin, and we can definitely see a huge increase in value here in this coming week here. And I'm already saying this to you guys because I want to help you guys here to crush the market as well. And I want to help you guys. Of course, no financial advice, is only my own opinion on the market here. But I want to help you guys to also crush the market here. We want to accumulate more Bitcoin once we're going higher and higher here, of course. And I mean, of course, you want to accumulate at the lows here. And that's what right now what we are doing. Because if you're accumulating Bitcoin around the 50K here, it's definitely a very strong accumulation level here. And it's also the reason why we are having this swing trade open right now, to accumulate more Bitcoin. And also 2 more super chats here. Thank you so much for supporting the channel here once again. And Panda Fist, Rover, you should take a look here at DOWS. Synthetic for DOT. By the way, you don't sound like how you look. Okay, that's pretty intense. I don't know how you mean with that, but I mean, hopefully it's a very good thing here. So definitely we'll look at it. And Joe M, I will also look at your request in a second here. Give me a second, of course. But I mean, these are once again very coins with not a lot of information here. I mean, if I flip this to the 4 hourly, you can see barely information here in TradingView. So that's pretty unfortunate because I cannot really look into this. You should, but I will also make a screenshot because you're giving me very interesting projects, and that's also the reason why I'm making these screenshots. And I will look, of course, I cannot look at every single coin. If there are coming so much requests, I cannot do it. But research is always taking a lot of time here. It's really time consuming, but I will not do it here live in the stream. But I mean, this coin, of course, Shadow Network, very interesting what it is doing here. But we'll go here. I mean, it's right now sitting around P2000 here, so it's pretty low market cap. I mean, the market cap is not even visible, so it's very unfortunate that we cannot see that. And I mean, it's very risky to buy in these coins first of all. But yeah, you have potential high. It's high risk, but you also have potential high rewards. So of course, it's very interesting. But I mean, yeah, you can see it here. Yeah, you can see it here, and it's also built on the. You're saying it's on the Polkadot ecosystem and DeFi coin. So let's see how it will perform here. Hopefully, it will perform very good for you, and I will definitely maybe look into it because it's high risk, high reward potentially. So maybe have to get exposed to this coin. A little bit, but not all too much here. So Joe M also donated here, and Joe M, what are you saying here? Hey, Reef chart, my friend. I bought with high. Should I sell over it? What do you think? And I know Reef is, of course, decreasing in value all the time here, and Reef is not holding up very strong here. And then we're finally seeing a bounce here to the upside, what is very nice here. And I mean, it really depends on your strategy here. Do you believe in Reef? Yes, you can definitely hold it. But I mean, If I extend this chart here, by the way, we're still getting rejection from this previous support line, but I'll remove this chart here, and I will draw just purely the supportive line from here. So also this resistance line from the top side. This will also be a very significant resistance line here in the coming days here, also for Reef. So definitely you have to look out once buying against these levels here. But yeah, you can still see from the top where we are right now, still decreasement of approximately 35%. But yeah, really it depends on your own strategy here. But I mean, you can see right now flipping resistance into support probably. At least we're right now trading at support here, because this was also previously acted as support. So you please, if you are really willing to hold this coin, you can definitely hold so right now. And I mean, you definitely want to be careful with Reef here. I mean, right now trading at this gray box here. Of course, you're already in a big loss here, but I'm not looking to sell at a loss here. And I do think, of course, it's very likely to see this coin going higher here. But I mean, a lot of people are talking about Reef, and that's the reason why I don't really like it, because I think it's just a pure big hype run up, and after that it's going to die here, and it's not pure good fundamentally worth. So I do want to also do more research if you really want to hold this coin here, but of course not going to give any financial advice here. But yeah, definitely there are some very good projects here around, so maybe you're looking to shift a little bit more into these other projects. But I mean, I know if you are selling this, probably you have to pay high gas fees, so that will be very unfortunate if you're doing so. So you really have to look if it is worth it in your financial situation. I don't know how big of a portion of your portfolio is right now in this coin, so it really depends on your financial situation. So I can't really say it. So Fukugams, I don't know how I can pronounce your name here. Donated also €5, and thank you so much for your donation. You're saying great token, AXPR in talks with top 5 banks in USA, pay BX. Release in Q3, Uniswap listing, working on products, and hired marketing team. So also we'll make a screenshot of this coin here. I mean, you guys are all requesting loads and loads of coins here. I mean, guys, this. I mean, you're going to give me a lot of work, so please don't send all these super chats purely for me. Look into these coins here, because that will be a lot of work, and I cannot promise that I can do my research on every single one here, of course. But yeah, I will definitely, of course, try and look at it. But I will definitely look into this coin after this the stream here. And I mean, yeah, this coin, if it has a great marketing team, will be, of course, very amazing. But I mean, this chart, I don't really like this chart here. I can already give my thoughts about this chart. If I look to the chart, you can probably already see it. Very hard to say my thoughts about these coins. So, Jay, also, you were saying their docs are in their FAQ on deflectprotocol.io. I also made a screenshot here, Jay. Good luck with your research. They haven't started marketing. They are focusing on the product development, and that is more important for me. If I can see that a coin is more focused on development than marketing, it's good, because if it is a good coin, the attention will come to it eventually. So that's very nice to hear, Jay. So definitely will, of course, look into it here. And thank you so much for supporting the channel here. Thank you for helping me out here. And I mean, yeah, very nice that you guys are always supporting here. And guys, if I quickly look to the channel, we are only 25 subscribers away from 23.1k subscribers, so getting very close here. If you want to support the channel, you can do so right now by hitting that subscribe button. Of course, it would be very, very amazing if we can do so. That would be very amazing if we can do so. So let me check real quickly. So yeah, I mean, Bitcoin and Ethereum right now giving huge opportunities to trade here. Of course, very nice opportunities. What we of course are embracing with both hands here. Of course, very lovely to see here, because yeah, we are loving these opportunities that we are getting finally in the market, and we were waiting for these opportunities for a long period of time here, and right now you are getting these opportunities. So definitely embrace these opportunities here. And people are saying, okay, please look at crypto.com here. And definitely I will look at crypto.com. But first, guys, I see we're only 14 likes away from this 800 likes here. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that like button here. I mean, we're heading towards the 1,000 likes here. It would be amazing if we can reach it. But I will definitely look at crypto.com here. But smashing up these 800 likes would be absolutely grateful if you're doing so. So I will right away go into crypto.com here, because, yeah, Crypto.com forming an ascending triangle here, guys. Definitely looking to trade this. Definitely looking to trade this at all time here. I mean, I'm already hugely exposed to Crypto.com, and I think it will be performing very strong here as well. So I will be looking forward to see where it is heading towards. I will be looking forward to see how much gains we can make here, of course. But I mean, this coin can definitely give you very good returns here. So I should be looking out for this coin. Definitely right now trading at the support right now. You can definitely wait for the retest of this stop line, because we haven't closed the 4-hourly candle above this, so yeah, it's better to roll like this, to be honest. So if you're seeing a 4-hourly close above this resistance line, this will be absolutely very strong here for Crypto.com here, and we can also flip insanely bullish here. So I will be looking forward to see where we are heading towards, guys. Please share your trade. I always share my trades here on the Discord server. So if you haven't already, you can also join the Discord server. But I mean, I share my trade here in Trading Challenge. It's a chat here in the Discord. So if you haven't already, and if you want to be notified here of these trades here, you can right away join the Discord server. Will be very amazing if you're doing so, of course. People are saying, I have 50k Crypto.com. You're doing a good job that you are accumulating so much Crypto.com here. And I think, yeah, Crypto.com can definitely reach at least $1 here. So, I mean, it can definitely be a very good investment here, in my opinion. And I'm also holding hugely into this coin here. So, definitely looking to accumulate more and more once we are seeing this breakout coming in here. Once we're seeing a clear retest on the previous support line, previous resistance line flipping into support will be very nice to see here on this coin, and will definitely also show us a better accumulation zone and better buying opportunity here. And also, we just smashed through the 800 likes here, guys. Thank you so much for liking the video here. You guys are absolutely, truly legends here. And of course, Bitcoin's still moving around here, not doing anything interesting, to be honest. But yeah, we are still seeing this consolidation happening. Right now, this 1 hourly candle is into the red, but yeah, we just opened this 1 hourly candle, so still going to sit on the sidelines for a moment at least. But I think, yeah, definitely we can see more prices. We can see these prices evolve to to higher highs here, and definitely the market structure is good. I do think that we are very bullish on the market, and even though if these miners are going to sell off, I do think there's a lot of strength in the market. There's a lot of attention to the market, and that we can still reverse to the upside here. And breaking the 52k here will be the first step here to accumulate more Bitcoin. So definitely looking forward to it. Definitely looking forward to it. Sketchy team retrieve. Yeah, that's a problem. You want to be careful. Thank you, Crypto Rover. No problem. I will try and answer your question. So, let me see what you guys are having for me. Of course, right now seeing a minor red candle here. I'm not all too worried here. Even if we're going to retest this previous right box here once again. I mean, we're consolidating around this level, so that's pretty good here. Because we are consolidating, we're cooling up the RSI. We're only making ourselves ready for a bigger and bigger leg up here. So please don't worry. What is your exact link retest level? I mean, yeah, definitely if you're looking... Sorry for my... for that sound, by the way. That was very rude, to be honest. It was very rude. Not nice for me. I'm drinking way too much water with some air in my throat still, so sorry. And if you look at Chainlink here, you can see what is your exact retest level. I mean, I'm not taking it personally because I find it too risky to trade on this pattern, because we already saw this fake out over here. If we haven't saw this fake out, probably should have taken it. But I mean, definitely not looking to it by right now. But yeah, definitely $28.7 is the level that you are that you can accumulate here, that you can open a leverage trade here. But this should take it with low risk, low leverage, of course. But yeah, definitely you can do it over there. Where should you take profit on your Bitcoin trade here? Definitely the Bitcoin trade is very interesting where we're going to take profits, because we're entering this swing trade. And in my opinion, I am here to ride this trade for the long term, ride this for the long run here as well. So my take profit will be very, very high. And if we're, of course, going to break the all-time high, I will be looking to ride this trade maybe to, let's say, 100k or so. So I think we're going to have an insane leg up getting created anytime soon here once again. So that's also the reason why we are in this trade here. And we are in a swing trade with low leverage, so we can just sit on it. So, I mean, take profit will be discussed along the way up here. Of course, the stop loss will be also discussed once we're going lower. And of course, we're right now just monitoring this trade live here. So that's the reason why we are right now having a stop loss, because we can control our emotions. And I'm going to go out of the trades once we are getting a good... I mean, once we're seeing the market reversing, of course, we will go out of the trade. Once we're seeing an F2 mining pool coming in here, we're dropping a lot of Bitcoin, I will definitely also go out of this trade here. So it really depends on the situation, what is right now happening. But I mean, the market structure is looking very strong here. And that's also the main reason why we are in this trade here. And also, yeah, just the general news here of Bitcoin is looking very good here. So take profit will be discussed along the way up here. And definitely we will be looking to hold this trade for a long period of time. We are looking to sit on this trade for maybe to ride this trade to 100K or so. So guys, this last leg up here can be very significantly to the upside here. So I'm getting very exciting, of course. I'm getting very excited here to see what we are heading towards. Swinging it all the way up. That's exactly what I mean, CG. I mean, yeah, let's ride it. Let's ride it to new optimize here. Let's ride it to new optimize. Of course, and Ethereum right now cooling off for, here for a second. I mean, on the 1 hourly candle. So, I mean, maybe you're getting a buying opportunity anytime soon here once again. So, looking forward to it, of course. Looking forward to it. Looking forward to it at any time. Still time to enter. You're probably talking about Ethereum or Bitcoin. I mean, Bitcoin. Once Bitcoin is reversing to our entry price, yes, definitely you can still set your limit order over there. But right now, should not rush into it at least. And if you want to take it at the same levels, at the same digits here, you can use our Femex referral link. It'll be very lovely if you're. It would be very lovely if you're signing up for Femex here. It would be very nice, of course, if you're doing so. So if you want to support the channel as well here, and you're getting some very nice bonuses here on Femex. And Femex is just in general a very nice platform to use, in my opinion. You can definitely sign up through my link here in the description. It will be very amazing if you're doing so. But yes, once we're reversing a little bit more for Bitcoin, you can definitely still enter this trade. Definitely. So yeah, I will be looking forward here for the next next day, especially today here. Probably going to be already a very exciting day here, in my opinion. Yes, we can still see Bitcoin reversing to the upside here and so show some insane gains here. And maybe I have to do an emergency live stream later on today once we're seeing the price ready to reversing to the upside or to the downside here, because of course, this live stream today, or I don't know for how long it will be, this live stream, but maybe once I finished up the live stream, I see, okay, right now we really have to go live because it's a very emergency. We will go live as well here, and that's also a reason why you do want to be subscribed to the channel with this bell notification, because then you're getting this notification once we're going live here. So make sure to subscribe to the channel here, because we are only 90 subscribers away also from the 23.1K subscribers. And also, make sure to ring the bell button, because once you're ringing the bell, you can also stay up to date once we're doing an emergency live stream, because I will try to do the most amount of live streams here once we're seeing something very interesting, or a very interesting market reversal or market move to the upside here. So that's definitely the reason why you do want to smash up that subscribe button as well here. So make sure to already do it. Probably the most amount of you guys are already done it. So of course, it would be very amazing to see you guys once you are back here again with another live stream. But for now, of course, this live stream will still continue here. But for now, not a big emergency what we are right now having. Just Bitcoin is just doing nothing here, nothing also interesting. But definitely a reason why you do want to have this subscriber button. The reason why you do want to be subscribed here with the bell notification here, of course. Lucas is saying, let's explode your Twitter. I mean, yeah, of course, we're also on Twitter here. Almost having 2,500 live followers would be, of course, amazing if you're following us as well here on Twitter. But let's. Do you guys want me to make a tweet? And let me know what do you guys want me to tweet at? What do you guys want me to tweet? And then we can maybe explode this tweet all together if we work together and explode this Twitter page. Altogether. So let me know what you guys want me to tweet here, and then we definitely will tweet it here. Let me know in the description. I mean, in the live chat, of course. Let me know what you guys want, because we want to be here all together here. And let me know what your thoughts right now are on a good tweet here. Do you want me to tweet something? So we are doing this tweet all together here, of course. Of course, over check the BTC training group, and I will definitely check it here in Discord. So what are you talking about? Tag me please. Tag me please if you're about what you're exactly talking about. Oh, you're talking about the F2 mining pool. Here to let you know, Rover. You see that there's a massive outflow of approximately 2K bitcoins here on the F2 mining pool, and very important. Thank you for letting me know. Of course, guys, this can be maybe very horrible here for the price of Bitcoin. This can maybe be very horrible, to be honest. And I will get it into the stream right away here. So thank you for letting me know. And right now, seeing here in the top of the screen here, you can see 2,000 Bitcoin is right now outflowing here of these of the F2 mining pool. So definitely take it with caution right now what we are seeing, and it can definitely have some influence here on our trade as well. Maybe we have to close our trade here because I'm getting very scary if I'm seeing this, because you don't want to ignore the facts here. You do want to look at the fundamentals, and you do want to look at the exact facts that we are right now having. And I mean, 2,000 Bitcoin outflow of F2 mining pool, having a massive dump here, and maybe they're of course trying to scare us off, because I mean, yeah, still there will be loads and loads of buying pressure here, but yeah, definitely this is not a thing that you can just ignore here, because yeah, these things you can just not ignore. These things are very important, and yeah, 2,000 Bitcoin is massive, and it's just manipulation here. So yeah, very unfortunate, very unfortunate manipulation here, guys. Let's do a tweet about this. Let's do a tweet about this. Let's quickly do a tweet here. Yeah, and thank you for letting me know, by the way. Be careful. Wait. I will quickly look at the Discord server who it was here. Thank you so much for notifying me, and it was NG3094 here. So thank you so much for notifying me. Thank you for letting me know what we are right now seeing, and I will get away from this in the screen. Sorry. Be careful. F2 mining pool is dumping. Hashtag Bitcoin. So if you want to retweet my tweet as well here, and you will be very nice here, because you will be very supportive here. Be careful. F2 mining pool is dumping. F2 pool, I will say F2 pool, sorry. F2 pool is dumping. Hashtag Bitcoin. I mean, yeah, definitely you should be careful here. You should really be careful. I mean, this is not looking very good here for Bitcoin, at least in the immediate short term here. So also getting another super chat here. So thank you so much if you're right now liking this tweet that we just posted here. So yeah, let me know if you like the tweet here. Would be very cool, of course. So we'll go back into the tweet in a second, because we just got a new super chat here. It's from Smokey Joe here. Thank you so much here for donating your 10 euros. Thank you so much. You're saying, hey man, can you please review NIM? And of course, I will right away go to the chart of NIM here. And I do think there's not a lot of information about this coin. Yes, there is. There is some information. So that's very nice. So you're saying browser-based blockchain, fiat to crypto, autonomic swaps in the wallet. Check it. Oh, that sounds very nice here. That sounds very good, at least. And of course, also we'll make a screenshot of this Smokey Joe here, because then after the stream I can just try it myself. Because if I just am not streaming, I can do some relaxed research, and will not do it all the stream, because otherwise it will be pretty boring here, of course. So I mean, it will take loads and loads of times here before doing clear research here. But I mean, it sounds, at least how you tell me, it sounds very interesting. And also you can maybe see it right now in this chart as well here. Because if you look to the charts, I mean, if you look to the charts, very exciting. And you're, Lucas, you're also saying next time once you're going live, make sure to tweet it. And definitely I will tweet once I'm going live next time. But guys, I see you also retweeting this tweet. So we maybe have to go take immediate action here in a second here on our trade here, because it can definitely be a really worse thing, and maybe we have to look at this very good here. How big were the F2 pool dumps previously? It was approximately, let's say, 7K a day, and right now it's 2K in just a matter of a few minutes here. So that can be definitely horrible. But I mean, look into the chart, because I want to give my analysis on this chart. Very exciting, of course, what you're seeing. Because, yeah, you can see right now you're trading at the supportive level here. I mean, this is previously acting as resistance. So once touching this level, this will act as very strong support, in my opinion. So we still have to wait what we are going to see here in the immediate short term once we're hitting this level. Probably very likely to find some support at this level. But I mean, previously we're also finding support at this level. So in my opinion, very likely to find some support over there. You're also creating a new uptrend here with a supportive line here to the upside. So also looking to meet the supportive line anytime soon here. Also coming together with this gray box here, can definitely see maybe a price increasing in value here. What is about this F2 pool mining dumping? I will go back into this Toy Wolf. Give me a second after finishing up this, because this is of course very important that you look at this chart here, in my opinion. But I mean, this coin, yeah, I mean, very likely to find a supportive bounce once hitting this level. Multiple support levels coming together here. So yeah, thank you for your donation. I will definitely look into this coin after the stream as well here. People are saying, what is so important about the F2 pool mining? What is so important about the F2 pool mining pool? And I mean, what is so important about it? is that they are dropping 2k bitcoins onto the market, so it will be more supply. So you know, the more supply there is, yeah, the less high the price will go. So they're basically pushing the price lower here for Bitcoin, and that is the point. That is not very good here. And I mean, these F2 mining pools are dumping so quickly for the last period of time here. And I mean, yeah, you do want to take it with a lot of cautions. They're trying to kill the bull market, but okay, I mean, guys, these guys are helping us to cool off to cool off the bull market for a second here. That is what someone is once again saying. That is why I prefer proof of stake instead of proof of work. Yeah, I mean, that can definitely happen. And I mean, also with these new blockchain protocols, it can definitely push us higher. F2 pool again, BitBoy will rage on this show. Yeah, I mean, definitely, guys, make sure to also tag your favorite YouTuber. It would be amazing, because then we are pushing this content to more people, and maybe they are recognizing Crypto Rover as well, and we can grow the channel even more. It would be, of course, very nice here if you're doing so. So, I mean, of course, we are just looking at the pure facts. We are not making clickbait. We're not making trying to fool people, because I mean, that is really a thing here right now in crypto, because a lot of crypto YouTubers are trying to clickbait you. And guys, you are all following me on Twitter as well here, so thank you so much for following me on Twitter as well here. Very amazing to see our Twitter channel also growing so quickly here. You guys are so lovely to see, of course. The Bitcoin compared to gold valuation, also a very important chart that we are also looking at. So, I mean, very exciting things that we are sharing here on the Twitter. And I mean, retweeting this tweet will be already very amazing. And of course, letting know. Yeah, I mean, and also if you're just tagging some friends here, or yeah, reacting in the comments with your favorite YouTuber would be also very amazing. And you guys, thank you also for letting me know what you think about the tweet here. So thank you so much. And guys, by the way, we are very close to 23.1k subscribers, so getting very close. But I mean, we do want to take it with caution here if we look into the F2 pool mining, the F2 pool mine pool. Yeah, we do want to take it with. We do want to take it with a lot of caution, but maybe they're trying to fool us once again here. They're trying to, I mean, maybe they, of course, you always see the drop in price a little bit later here, so we can maybe anticipate to it. But I mean, I do think that there will be a lot of buying pressure still for Bitcoin. There will be a lot of buying pressure. There will be a lot of buying. What website is showing the F2 pool mining the? What website it is? It's a CryptoQuant, and I haven't got my premium version yet, but I will because yesterday I was very busy and I had to head out right away here. So I will definitely look into a premium account as well here, so I can give you more insights about certain things here. So also in contact with them. So I mean, I'm just going to buy it after the stream here. So CryptoQuant, very exciting, because we can see exact details here about these mining pools dumping. You can see exact details here on-chain data. You can see exact details about mining pools. I can quickly go to CryptoQuant.com here. I mean, you can see all these things here. Very important if you look to on-chain data here, because on-chain data will be very, very important once we're going further in this bull market, because we want to spot certain things here to see once the bull market is cooling off here, because that's very important, because we want to time the market perfectly here, and on-chain data is one of the most important things here that we want to look at here. You can also see the miner flows here, and you can see in general all the miner outflows, but you can also see purely the F2 pool mining outflow. And of course, yesterday you saw a low outflow here. I mean, yeah, yesterday was only a 1.8k bitcoins, and oh, sorry, it's not on the screen right now. So yesterday was only 1.8k bitcoins, but I mean, today is already 2k in just a matter of a few hours. So I mean, yeah, we do want to take it with a lot of caution here. We do want to take it slow. And you can see since they started not dropping off so much Bitcoin, you can see the prices pushing higher once again here. So that's also the reason what we can see here. So if they're dropping off once again here, it can definitely push the price a little bit lower. But you can see also here, in January, they were dumping so massively, but still we were going higher. So, I mean, right now the market is so strong, and they're testing the market, and you can see the market is still holding up here, and that's the reason maybe we have to take this with a grain of salt here. Maybe we have to just ignore this and still sit in this trade. And of course, there are two feelings that are fighting against each other right now. But I mean, definitely we can see another reversal, but I don't think that they can dump forever here. And it's more likely to see the market reverse anytime sooner, especially with these stimulus checks. And I will not reverse my thoughts about this. But I mean, it's very important to look at all these factors, of course. It's very important to look at everything here. And yeah, just have a pure thought about everything here. And I mean, definitely going to say, I think we will still sit on the train. And once doing something, we will keep you guys up to date. If it is not in the live stream, we will keep you guys up to date here in the Discord server. So this is also the main reason why you do want to join the Discord server. So yeah, I see we are just smashed for the 9,000 members in Discord server as well here. So thank you so much for joining here in the Discord server. So that's absolutely amazing here. Truly valuable here that you guys are joining here. And by the way, just quickly also want to thank you guys for smashing up this 23.1k subscribers here. I mean, I see it on my second screen here, but it's not over here. Oh, we're just about to hit it then, or it's just not loading here. So 23.1k subscribers. Thank you so much already here. You guys are truly valuable here. Lucas, also, you're saying fresh coins hitting the market minus taking profit right now. The price can go down. In my opinion, this dump won't have so much impact on the price because you're right now getting a possibility to have a good entry. And I have to agree with you. These miners, they are hugely exposed to Bitcoin. They have to pay their bills, and they know about Bitcoin. They know about the project. So what do you think what they are going to do with their money? Of course, they're right now dumping Bitcoin to buy and accumulate more mining gear, probably, and also pay their bills. But I mean, in the end of the day, they are willing to get bigger exposed to Bitcoin because they're also seeing the bigger future of Bitcoin. So they're all thinking like you and me here. So of course, very exciting times here, guys. Very exciting times, and they're not going to dump forever here, of course. And I mean, by the end of the month, you always are seeing miners taking profits here, and of course. I mean, I will be looking forward how this coming month will go here because they cannot hold us back forever. They don't have infinity Bitcoins. The drop-off will stop anytime soon here. And it is looking like right now we are finally reversing, of course. They cannot drop forever. And right now, the biggest dump is looking like to be over here. So, I mean... Of course, you want to know what is behind the dump here, but I mean, it's looking strong here in the immediate short term here. Also, stimulus checks here. Don't go back into this talk here, but I mean, guys, I'm not feeling bearish at all here about the market. Yeah, 2,000 is pretty light here compared to the last days. People are saying the same here, and I have to agree with you. It's very light here. It's not very horrible, to be honest. And yeah, right now we can see 23.1k subscribers. Thank you so much, guys, for subscribing to the channel. You guys are truly valuable. You guys truly mean a lot for me. And yeah, thank you so much for supporting the channel here once again. Thank you so much for hitting that subscribe button, of course. They're out of business. Yeah, this is just a matter of time till the F2 mining pool here is out of business, and they're of course going to accumulate also more Bitcoin and hold some Bitcoin. They're not going to sell off everything because they also know how it works here, and of course they have to take profit somewhere, and right now they're doing it. And El Toro is right now saying, which one would you buy in the short run? Sorry for me. Run, VeChain, or Chainlink? And of course, cannot give you any financial advice. Run, I don't know exactly. Run, I don't know exactly what run is. Oh, what do you want to buy in the short run? You mean VeChain or Chainlink? Definitely, I think probably Chainlink is ready to explode here. The point here, Chainlink is ready to explode here to the upside, in my opinion. And the point here is with VeChain. VeChain is already exploded here for the last 7 days. But I do still think VeChain will be a very strong asset here in the bull run. And it will be a very, very good performing in this bull run. But if you look to the risk to reward situation right now, I do think that Chainlink will be a better asset to go into, in my opinion. And definitely have more potential here for the long run here. But I mean, VeChain is also a very good asset. And it's very hard to say. And my opinion, of course, is good to get exposed to both of these coins because these coins are both very good and very strong coins here. But I cannot really say which coin is the better one here. But should definitely get exposed to both of them, in my opinion. Don't only ride on one of them, but I mean definitely get exposed to both of them. And guys, by the way, only 8 likes away from the 900 likes would be amazing if you can reach it. Only 8 likes away here. Let me know if you already smashed up the likes here. And I think right now watching with 1300 viewers right away here, 8 likes are easily done here. It's only a matter of 5 seconds before you like the video here. People are saying, I'm on 50x here on Adam. You're crazy, 50x. You're crazy. But of course, if it's working, why not? But I mean, I should take it with a lot of caution here. But El Toro, thank you so much for once again donating here. But I should get exposed to both if you don't know it. And in my opinion, it's also the best strategy here because these projects are both very strong here. And in my opinion, you have to get exposed to both of them. So yeah, very exciting, of course, what we are seeing here. And Bitcoin is still going a little bit higher. Very nice, of course, to see. Bitcoin trending on wick on the lower side here on 1 hourly candle, of course. And you have to know 4 hourly candle going to close also in 26 minutes, guys. We're going to close this 4 hourly candle in 26 minutes. And that will be, of course, very exciting, what you guys already know. the last half hour, the last 10 minutes especially on these 4-hourly candles are very, very volatile here, and we're always seeing huge moves in the market. And of course I would certainly love to see some nice moves in the market here once again, to see some more volatility return to the market, of course, and also see some possibilities to increase the valuation here of Bitcoin here in the coming 27 minutes here. So of course we will be looking forward to it, and we will definitely keep an eye out what will happen here. So let me see. Rover bans cup and handle on the 1-hourly and 4-hourly. Channel Gaming, you have a new logo or not? I wasn't recognizing you. So band, I will definitely look at band here. I mean, cup and handle are very nice structures. And I mean, yeah, you're probably talking about the immediate short. You're talking about the 1-hourly, right? 1-hourly and 4-hourly. I mean, yeah, 1-hourly you may be forming some kind of a cup and handle here. Let me see. Let me check. Yeah, maybe you're farming somewhat of a cup and handle here. Yeah, you can see if you're farming this cup here, you do want to form another handle here to the downside here anytime soon. I mean, if you're going to form something like this here, yeah, cup and handle will be, of course, a very nice pattern that you can play here if you're going to see it. And if you're going to see cup and handle, yeah, definitely the price actually can push this to $16. But I mean, cup and handles on low time frames are, in my opinion, not very reliable patterns. No, yeah, definitely you can consider taking them. But I mean, band, you can look at multiple scenarios here. You can see also creating an uptrend here, just like you're doing with Bitcoin, just like you're doing with Ethereum. So in general, a lot of altcoins are looking very strong in my opinion. So yeah, I mean, cup and handle, not my favorite pattern to trade. On low time frames, on bigger time frames, I like cup and handles, but on 1-hourly and 4-hourly, I mean, not very significant in my opinion. But I mean, yeah, you're still in the uptrend here on band. And band will also do very strong here in my opinion. So definitely a good coin to get exposed to. And of course, still getting this major sell-off from the top side, so still getting a 32% sale here. And guys, you have to know, this still won't last forever here. You're right now still having the opportunity here, but this won't last forever. We have to take this opportunity right now. We have to embrace this opportunity with both hands here. So definitely take this opportunity right now. And people are saying, Dan, for how long will you be live here on YouTube still? At least till the 4-hourly close here. At least till the 4-hourly close. And after that, I have to see here because also looking to rapid stream because I have to do some work behind the scenes here. And once I'm seeing something very important in the market. Oh, Bitcoin is right. By the way, doing very nice here. But Band Protocol, that was just my quick opinion about it. But Bitcoin is acting very strong here right now. What is very nice to see here. But I mean, definitely, once seeing something very interesting for the trade or etc., I will do an emergency live stream, and it will go live right away for you guys. So it would be, of course, lovely if you are subscribed to the channel and hit that bell notification. But I mean, also getting a new donation here, new super chat. Thank you so much for supporting the channel here. You're saying, take a look at Litecoin and Elrond real quickly. Of course, I will. I appreciate your analysis, and Alex Shoots. Thank you so much for supporting the channel here. You're in true legends here, and thank you for supporting the channel and showing some appreciation here. That's very lovely to see. And already discussed Litecoin a while ago, and we were looking to Litecoin for this symmetrical triangle, and the symmetrical triangle is very likely to see a break. We are very likely to see a breakout anytime soon here. First, we saw on the top side a fake out here, but this supportive line is still getting respected, so maybe we can see still a breakout to the top side, but you have to be realistic. You are in a downtrend and forming a symmetrical triangle, so a breakdown is more likely. But of course, if Bitcoin is going to reverse to the upside, this can definitely push the price higher as well. And just quickly looking into the trade is still doing good here. Looking forward to see Bitcoin, of course, absolutely explode here. So definitely looking forward to it. And let me see. Bitcoin is king. Yeah, Bitcoin is definitely the king. But I mean, definitely right now what you can see here, symmetrical triangle in a downtrend. So you have to take it with caution. And you're also talking about EGLD here. And we're also going Elrond here, of course. Also quickly looking at EGLD. Also want to look at the market cap. EGLD is right now sitting around 2.5 billion, so that's pretty nice here. 2.5 billion for EGLD. Very nice to see here. And of course, EGLD, very interesting price action what we were seeing on this chart. And I mean, we'll quickly remove this. I will set up this new trend line. I will redraw this trend line real quickly here. because you can see previously acting as support, right now acting as resistance here. You can see we were getting this rejection here. And also, I mean, there are multiple levels of support and resistance. What is very interesting, what you can see here with Elrond here. You can see previous support acting as resistance once again here. Also previous support acting as resistance once again here. So Elrond having major levels to clear here, in my opinion. Not clearly trading at support levels here. Yeah, you can maybe draw another support line over here. But I mean, you can draw a lot of support lines here on Elrond. But usually you can see that all these support lines are breaking. So, I mean, yeah, do want to wait and see where Elrond is heading towards. Of course, very exciting what Elrond is heading towards. But I mean, I do believe in the project. We'll probably do very good here. And guys, by the way, we're only 56 likes away from the 1,000 likes. It will be absolutely amazing if we can reach it. Let's see if we can do so. So that was quickly a thing that I have to see, what I have to say here, because I was seeing this. There were only 56 likes away here. I definitely think that we can do so. Would be, of course, very amazing if we can still reach the 1,000 likes here. So, I mean, EGLD definitely looking forward to see this breakout to the top side here, and then maybe another supportive bounce from this level here will be definitely a very strong thing here for EGLD. So definitely have to stick around here, have to look at the chart for a longer period of time here till we can see a clear way what we are heading towards. But we do have to clear very important resistance levels. You can see this top line here, have to clear it, and this top line as well, have to clear these levels before flipping insanely bullish. So definitely keep this chart up to date here. And I mean, this Bitcoin trade still doing good here. Going to write this to new all-time highs, guys. You have to know it. Going to write this to new all-time highs. And just also 25 likes away, guys. 25 likes away from the 1,000 likes here. Getting very exciting. Getting very cool. I was the 970 liker. Very amazing, Brad. Thank you so much here. And Jano, thank you for letting the viewers know once again here in the chat. But I mean, very important levels that we do want to break here before flipping insanely bullish here. Ethereum also doing very strong here. And guys, only 20 minutes away from the 4-hourly candle close here. So for now on, still looking very good here, in my opinion. Still getting this solid bounce here. So we are right now still solidifying here for Ethereum. And this bounce, of course, a very good thing to see here, a very nice thing to see as well. But I mean, only 20 minutes away from the 4-hourly close. We're getting very close, and I'm getting very exciting, of course, once again with you guys. And we are only 8 likes away from the 1,000 likes here. You are bringing the smile to my face here, you guys. For you guys, I'm doing this, and I'm enjoying every single moment, of course. You're motivating me, and if you're spamming in the chat, please don't do so, because then you are getting blocked, of course. So please don't spam in the chat here. I just hit the like button. Thank you so much. We're only 3 likes away. Yeah, we just smashed through it. Thank you so much for hitting that like button, everyone. You guys are absolutely insane, and you are once again crushing it. So thank you so much here. What will happen, once again, what will happen to next year with Ethereum for the long run? I do think it's a very interesting thing here, because this year will be different for Ethereum, because they are, of course, starting to be a deflationary coin here. And yeah, definitely, that is a very big thing here. This is a very big thing here for Ethereum, because they're becoming such a big coin here. And also, they're starting to burn their coins. I mean, definitely this can be huge here, for especially for a period, let's say, 4 to 6 years, especially for a longer view. I think this can be very, very huge for Ethereum. So you're saying, what do you think by the end of the year for Ethereum? I think, yeah, long term. If you're talking about long term, I always talk about 5 to 10 years. But I mean, coming 2 years, Ethereum can definitely be holding up better in this coming bear market, because they have less supply, of course. So let's see what Ethereum will do here in the coming bear market. Will Bitcoin hit an all-time high today? Not very likely that Bitcoin will do it today here, but I do think this week can definitely be the week that this can definitely be the week that Bitcoin is setting a new all-time high here. It can go up very quickly. We can see a stealth uptrend. We can see a very stealth candle, and maybe some stealth just steady climbing, and maybe by the end of the week we can touch the all-time high here. Would be, of course, very nice. But in my opinion, yes, we can see it relatively quickly here for Bitcoin. We can go up very quickly here. So that's the reason why we also want to be in the swing trade here. And I still believe that Bitcoin is going to push through the all-time high anytime soon here. So very exciting times, guys. Very exciting times. Is the ADA pump over? ADA is just cooling off for a second, so nothing to worry about for ADA here. But I mean, I'm not looking into ADA right now, because there are way better assets where I can make more money. Especially, there are just a lot of coins. You're getting huge opportunities here, so don't necessarily look to one coin here. Look at multiple opportunities here in the Bitcoin in cryptocurrency space, and especially right now in this Bitcoin trade, of course. Go to write this to new all-time highs here. Going to sit on this trade here, and guys, yeah, we're going to make some massive profit. So nothing to worry about, in my opinion. Nothing to worry about. So yeah, let's see. Bitcoin still. I mean, we're only 60 minutes away from this 4-hourly close, so it's getting very close. It's getting very, very close here. I mean, it's very exciting, of course, to see. Very exciting to see. Let me see. Yes. We'll do this after the stream. I'm so bad at multitasking. So let me know if you guys have something more in the chat here. Quickly, we'll look in the chat here. 88 to $1.50 soon. Probably is very likely here. How long are you streaming, sir? I'm planning to at least stream till the end of the 4-hourly candle. Of course, already live for 3 hours here, but do want to extend the stream for a longer period of time because it's very exciting to spend my time with you guys here. And especially, guys, once we're going offline here, we are right now in the trade here, and definitely once we're seeing something interesting with Bitcoin happening, once we're seeing a lot of volatility returning in the market, we will definitely do an emergency live stream. I will definitely look forward to do that. And also make sure to join the Discord server because if I really literally cannot go live here, I will keep you guys up to date on the Discord server. So that's also the main reason why I do want to join the Discord server. So it's right now pinned in the live chat, so it will be amazing. And Samuel, thank you for your $5 donation here. Thank you for supporting the channel. And you're saying, what do you think about Algorand? Hopped on late here. Love your channel. And Samuel, thank you so much for donating to the channel here. First of all, thank you so much for supporting the channel. And I will look into Algorand for a second here. And I mean, what do you think about Algorand? I do think the API, of course, very interesting here, and they're going to make some very good returns here. Especially, coming bull market will still do very good here. And I mean, you're right now in good buying ranges here. $1.08 is not very expensive for Algorand. And of course, if you look to the top where we are right now, you're seeing approximately a 40% sale here from the top side. And guys, I won't say this another time here, but right now, Algorand, a very good project, very interesting project, and right now once again getting a good opportunity here. And also, Joe, you're saying, can you check Wink? So definitely we'll check Wink in a second. But I mean, Algorand right now first had this major downtrend here. We did broke this downtrend here, but maybe we are still intact of another downtrend here. So still want to take it with a lot of caution here. What we're right now seeing, we can create multiple downtrends here, multiple touches of confluence, but nothing to say clearly here. But I mean, also creating an uptrend here, so of course looking very strong here for Algorand. And of course, I like this project. It will perform very good here, and especially because Bitcoin was reversed to the downside, this coin cooled off for a second, but I don't think it's very likely to see this coin cooling off for such a long period of time here. And it can definitely increase in value once again rather sooner than later. So I mean, yeah, you are getting major buying opportunities here for Algorand. So definitely I should take these opportunities here to maybe accumulate some more Algorand here. And Joe M, you're saying, can you check Wing for me? And I will definitely check Wing for you. So, okay, let me see which place is Wing sitting. Is this Wing that you mean? Because there are two wings. There are two wings here, and I do feel it's kind of a scam coin already if I see this, but I don't really know what this coin is doing here. As a gaming platform coin, socialize. What is Wing coin? Earning Wing token holders for staking. With airdrops, okay, interesting. Government's right. Okay, first of all, I like government's tokens because it's very important in my opinion. They are also performing always pretty good here. So always was looking at Wing for a longer period of time here. As you can see, I already had this chart set up here. So very important to look at. And people are saying Bitcoin down, please don't stress out. We will look at Bitcoin and Ethereum after this one. But I mean, we're coming close to the 4-hourly candle close, only 30 minutes away here. And you guys know there's a lot of volatility in these last 30 minutes here. So definitely the reason why. But I mean, you can see Fibonacci level holding up as a very strong resistance, also creating a downtrend here to the downside, and maybe we are right now breaking it, but still have to wait and see how this is looking here. But I mean, also creating a stealth uptrend here, and I mean, right now still getting supported by this uptrend. So have to see and yeah, have to see how this will go here. And I see that you got another supportive donation from Essie. Thank you so much for your $5 Australian here. Thank you for supporting the channel once again here. So yeah, very nice that you are supporting here, of course. Very good. Very nice to see. And of course, yeah, I mean, if you look to Wink here, yeah, you are still creating a downtrend here, and you're looking to have a breakout anytime soon here. And definitely this can maybe see, because we're also forming this uptrend here in the supported line here, maybe we're seeing some kind of a symmetrical triangle getting formed here, and that can definitely push the price way higher here. And especially if you look to this at this scenario here. I mean, symmetrical triangle definitely looking like playing out right now, and would love to see, of course, some explosive price moves. So yeah, I mean, very exciting times here also for Wink here. So let's see what Wink is doing in the immediate short term. But Bitcoin, I mean, Ethereum, people are all saying, please check Ethereum. Ethereum is indeed performing very strong compared to Bitcoin. Last 4 hours, very nice candle here. And yeah, I'm looking forward to see where Ethereum is heading towards. Looking especially forward to see where Ethereum is heading towards, but I mean, next resistance levels is literally sitting around $1,750. So coming very close, of course, 2 to 3% away from it. We'll definitely keep an eye out on it. And Andrew also donated $5 Thank you so much for donating here. And you're saying, can you please check LTO? Love your work, and I will definitely check LTO for you. I will definitely check out LTO here. So thank you so much for supporting the channel once again here. Of course, very lovely to see here that you guys are also supportive here in chat. But I mean, this coin very interesting what you're seeing with this coin, because you're creating this long-term supportive line. I mean, the resistance line acting as support, acting as resistance, but also was acting as support once again once you are above it once again. So I mean, very exciting what you are seeing. And people are saying, will Bitcoin first go to 34K? Don't think it's very likely, to be honest. I don't really, and I am not really anticipating that, to be honest. But I mean, no, not likely. And LTO, what you can see also over here. Let me check this. Yeah, what you can see also over here with LTO is that we are moving higher here, and it's very risky to buy into it. 4 hourly, pretty overextended. You guys all know what I will say once I see the 4 hourly is pretty overextended. It's very risky to buy into this coin once this 4 hourly candle is so overextended. And at least I am not looking to buy into this, because this is not looking strong in my opinion here. And of course, the reason why I'm not buying into it is because it's overextended here. And I mean, if I bought earlier into it, yeah, definitely it was a good opportunity here. But if I flip this to the daily, also overextended and also creating once again a bearish divergence from the previous highs here. And especially if I flip it to the weekly, I'm forming an insane, not even a bearish divergence, so that's good here. But on the weekly, extremely overextended here. I'm not looking to buy into this coin here. Of course, if you're already exposed, definitely good here. I should, of course, definitely sit on it. But I mean, it also depends on the fundamentals of this coin. Don't know the exact fundamentals here, but I mean, should definitely consider taking profits, because we're so overextended, and maybe scale out here and look into some different projects so you can accumulate and diversify your portfolio. Because if you are in high risk, of course, I'm not willing to have such a big amount of my portfolio in high risk. But if you're really high risk trading right now, definitely consider maybe scaling it out to some different projects here. So, I mean, yeah, it is looking good here, but please be careful here. You can definitely reverse anytime soon. And yeah, Ethereum is just crushing the market right now, gang. Let me know who in the chat who's right now in the trade of Ethereum. Would be cool if you're in trade here and making some profit. Let me know in the chat here if you're in trade. And guys, only 9 minutes away from the 4 hourly candle close. Let's see how this 4 hourly candle close for Bitcoin will close. Let's see how this 4 hourly candle for Ethereum will close, of course, as well. I mean, it is looking like that we are going to close this 4 hourly candle in the green, and also this 1 hourly candle into the green. So that's, of course, very exciting and very good for the price of Bitcoin and Ethereum and the cryptocurrency space in general. We can maybe start a new uptrend here. Will be, of course, very lovely to see, because we are in the swing trade and we are here to crush the market altogether. So it will be, of course, very amazing if we're seeing so. So looking forward to it. Looking forward to it. Ethereum probably, people are saying Ethereum please beat Bitcoin, and I mean, if you look at the chart, it's very likely that Ethereum is outperforming Bitcoin for the immediate short term, or I mean the longer period of time. People are here in an Ethereum trade. I mean, very exciting. Very exciting. And Jordan Bum, thank you so much for notifying everyone. Make sure to smash up the likes he is saying. So thank you so much. People are all in the Ethereum trade. So you're guys who are right now in the trade of Ethereum, definitely a good thing. And in my opinion, of course, no financial advice, but it's a good thing to ride it right now, because I'm not entering it right now because I find it too risky to enter at 21 US dollars. But of course, always have to trade at your own risk. And if you want to trade as well, you can use the referral links in the description. Would be amazing. But I mean, right now, if you're in a trade, I mean, I think that Bitcoin is going higher, and you guys have to know, Ethereum, there's a big hype around Ethereum. Ethereum will perform very strong compared to Bitcoin, at least here in the coming days, in the coming weeks. And that's also the reason why it's, in my opinion, very good to be in an Ethereum swing trade here. So definitely a big shout out to everyone who's right now in a trade here. Definitely, I will be looking to enter a swing trade as well on Ethereum. So, I mean, if you already got an entry, very good job here. And let's see if we are going to reverse the price of Ethereum as well here to the upside. And I mean, Ethereum compared to Bitcoin, ready to lift off once again here. Ready for, absolutely explosion here. And also made this video already a moment ago here. A week ago, we made this video about Ethereum will dominate the month of March. And definitely still stand behind my point here. This is looking extremely bullish. Ethereum will dominate here. And I mean, Yeah, we will also be looking for some trading opportunities here on Ethereum, of course. We will be definitely looking towards this. We will be definitely looking towards this. Quickly looking into this. Let me see. Let me check this. And yeah, I mean, it's just very exciting what we are right now having. Very exciting times what we are right now seeing here, and yes. So yeah, guys, you really want to benefit from it, and that's just the point what I was trying to make here. Is you just really want to benefit from it, in my opinion. The situation where we are right now in here, and I'm just doing also some stuff here on the sidelines here. So let me see. Let me quickly see. Because I want to buy, accumulate more Bitcoin, of course, accumulate some more altcoins here around these levels, and I mean definitely these times are very exciting because we're right now having such huge opportunities to buy into some of these altcoins. So I quickly have to send a message. So I'm back again. So I had to quickly react to this real quickly. And people are saying, please like the video. And you're amazing. Treesor, you're absolutely amazing. He tweeted about the F2 pool. Yes, I tweeted about this. And guys, if you have saw the tweet already, I mean, I will quickly refresh this because probably you guys are reacting to this tweet as well here. And I mean, look at you guys. You're also tagging YouTubers, so that's very nice because then we can push the content to more people. So if you haven't saw the tweet yet, make sure to like the tweet because that would be, of course, amazing because we want to get more active here on Twitter as well here. We want to help you guys. And the point here is I want to do tweets all together here. If you want me to tweet something, you can say it here in the live chat because I will try, of course, and read your questions because I'm always reading your questions here in the chat, trying to answer them all, of course. But if you have some certain things that you really want me to tweet, what you think is very important that everyone has to know here, please say it to me, and I'll give you, of course, a big shout out here because we definitely will do so. So also, yeah, make sure to go to Twitter and like the recent tweet. It would be, of course, very amazing if you're doing so because now we are pushing this content to more and more people. And I see that we also have, I mean, almost 1,100 likes on this video. And I mean, it would be very amazing if you also like the video. If you can also like the tweet here, would be very cool here. It will be very, very cool and, of course, very valuable for me as well. So, yeah, let's see if we can do so. And I see everyone already liking this tweet. I mean, you guys are so insane. You guys are lovely. But, I mean, still talking about Ethereum. Ethereum will definitely do so well here. And I mean, Bitcoin. Look at Bitcoin. Look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin crushing the market once again here. And the 4 minutes away, guys. 4 minutes away from the 4-hourly close. Could you please look at BPro? Thank you for your advice. You have to know, no financial advice, but definitely we'll look at BPro here. Let me see. And after that, we're going to witness this 4-hourly candle close. And Bitcoin, oh my gosh. Bitcoin showing huge follow-through. Look at this pump here in Bitcoin. Bitcoin is pumping so quickly. And we'll definitely look at Bitcoin in a second here. But because this is very exciting. Of course, the trade... I'm very happy with our entry here, very happy with our swing trade position here, and I'm just very glad that we are in this position here to crush this market altogether with this amazing swing trade, guys. And definitely will look in your request here in a second here. You can see also this coin topping out here around the top side of this Fibonacci level, and definitely want to see a break of this Fibonacci level before flipping insanely bullish, of course. But I mean, Bitcoin showing so much follow through. This is really taking my attention right now. I'm sorry. But I will look in Bitcoin in a second here because we're going to close this 4-hourly candle in 3 minutes here. So, I mean, what we are seeing right now, you can see Fibonacci levels are holding up very strong here, but do want to see this break of the 3.618 here before flipping insanely bullish here. So, let's see once we are going to near this target, if we're going to break it as well here. So, of course, have to look into it. Have to wait to see till we are going to break it because if we're getting a rejection, I mean, it will be likely that we are going to consolidate between these levels. I don't really know the exact project. It probably is a DeFi project because it's a network project. So, of course, let me know what it exactly is here. Rover Band is blessing off. I want to look at Band in a second here. First, going to look at Bitcoin, of course, before looking at Band here. But I mean, very exciting times. Very exciting what we are seeing here in the market here because Bitcoin refers to the upside. I mean, Bitcoin breaking out to the upside. 4-hourly candle close. Very exciting times here, what we are seeing here. But, I mean, I definitely want to see the break of the top side before flipping bullish here. I mean, this coin right now is still accumulating. Probably will find some support around these levels here. But right now, we'll look at Bitcoin. Sorry, my friend. And my thoughts, it's very hard to give my thoughts about it. I cannot really give you any advice, but I mean, if you look at this chart, definitely looking like accumulation right now, and touching this 0.06 cents level will be definitely a good buying opportunity here. But I mean, man, Bitcoin. Sorry, I have to flip this to Bitcoin because Bitcoin's showing a lot of follow through here on the 4-hourly candle. Insanely green candle here. We are pushing so high with our trade right now. Almost 7% of our trade. So very nice job to see more follow through getting created, and I'm very glad that we are in this position. So Bitcoin is pumping, and guys, if you want to join us as well on these trades, you can use our family referral link right now in the description. It would be amazing if you're taking these trades as well, because we want to help you guys, and people are all saying we are pumping right now, and yes, we are pumping here. Would be very nice, man. I am Norway Anen on follow back. I have 6k followers. Signal boost. Stay frosty. Raymond is very amazing. I will check it after the stream. Of course, also made a screenshot here. But guys, very excited what we are seeing with Bitcoin, and we are going to close this 4-hourly candle in 1 minute. And just like we always say to you guys, these last 10 minutes of these 4-hourly candles are so exciting always. And I mean, yeah, very, very exciting to see, of course. And people are saying, yes, this is a bull trap. But I mean, you cannot ignore the facts that we are right now having here with these news here, with this money getting printed. You cannot ignore the facts here. You cannot ignore the facts of the stimulus checks. And you cannot ignore the fact what happened previously with these stimulus checks. So, I mean, guys, we also want to look at everything here. We want to look at the total picture, and that's also the reason why we are in the swing trade, because we want to ride this to new all-time highs. And I mean, definitely, I still think it can be a very, very exciting time here. And we are going to close this 4-hourly candle in 20 seconds, and we're going to once again witness this all together. So very nice to see that we are right now seeing this all together here. Everything is pumping, don't FOMO, and that's exactly true here. Don't FOMO into any trades here. Don't rush into anything here. That would be just not smart here. That would not be smart. Yeah, I mean, that would definitely... And we just opened a new 4-hourly candle. So, very exciting times, guys, that we just opened a new 4-hourly candle. Yeah, of course, lovely to see here. And if you want to join it as well, you know what to do here. You can right away join us on Famex here to join us with the training challenge, join us with the training competition, and we're going to crush the market altogether, because you're not alone on this. We're going to help you guys to go through this journey. But yeah, we opened a new 4-hourly candle, and of course volatility will return here in the market, and it's of course very nice to see, in my opinion. Very lovely to see, because the field of volatility is returning into the market. It is maybe giving us some opportunities here to of course have some very good trades here. And right now flipping this into the green here, trade is still going very strong here. I am looking forward to see, of course, Bitcoin creating more volatility here. The 1-hourly can definitely increase in I mean, the 1-hourly can definitely go way higher here, and it's not overextended at all yet. And I mean, I'm willing to ride this trade to new all-time highs here, and definitely I think that we can ride this to new all-time highs. And it's very stupid. I mean, it's very likely for Bitcoin to go higher here, in my opinion, because of the current situation, what we are seeing here, and a lot of hype, of course, around Bitcoin. And there will soon be some more news here. And by the way, you guys are also liking the tweet here, so thank you so much here for letting me know, of course. Thank you so much here. No FOMO. Yeah, guys, absolutely don't get wrecked by this FOMO. Of course, I want you guys to take care here. I want you guys to take it with caution here. Please be careful here with trading Bitcoin here, because definitely this can be a very important thing that you don't want to do here, and you can still definitely get wrecked here. So please take it with caution. All-time high today, I don't think it's very likely to see an all-time high, to be honest. But yes, we can see a Bitcoin create more follow-through, and maybe break finally this 52k here. So it will be, of course, very nice if we can see so. But yeah, finally we opened a new 4-hourly candle. So like I already told you, once I'm seeing something very interesting and I'm not online here, I will do an emergency live stream today, because I have some more spare time today. So tonight also I will be at home here. So if I'm seeing something tonight here, definitely doing an emergency live stream. So definitely make sure to, I'm saying so much definitely, so well, we'll stop with it. So make sure to subscribe to the channel here, ring that bell notification, because if we're doing an emergency live stream, you do want to be subscribed with that bell notification, because sometimes YouTube is not notifying you, and that is the reason why you do want to have this bell emoji ticked here, and also subscribe to the channel. So if you're new to the stream, you can definitely do so. So yeah, this is the reason. If you want to be up to date of every single market situation, yeah, you just want to subscribe to the channel. It will be very amazing if you're doing so. Let me see. We're dropping again. I mean, yes, we are dropping in the immediate short term here. I mean, it's very likely after seeing such a big pump here on the 4-hourly, previous 4-hourly close, but you can see on each and every 1-hourly candle, you can see a big wick on the downside here. So we first started with a big wick to the downside, but I'm not scared at all. We are in profit, and I mean, I'm not scared here. I'm thinking that we're going to write this to new optimize here. Even though this is a mining pool, can definitely push us a little bit lower here. But we are just not going to ignore all the facts. What is right now looking very strong here? They're trying to scare us off. And once everyone is afraid, once everyone is feeling terrible about the market, I feel very bullish about the market. I mean, always once everyone is feeling very bearish, you want to feel bullish. Of course, you want to look at the technicals as well. But I mean, technicals is not exactly looking bearish here. Of course, we do have to keep in mind this is an ascending triangle from a downtrend, so it's more likely to break to the downside. It's exactly 60% of these ascending triangles are moving to the downside, and 40% is only moving to the upside. So of course, it's way riskier. But in my opinion, looking to the current market situation here, it is looking like a good entry here. It's looking like we can really write this to new optimize here. So that's also the reason why I'm in this. And I mean, I'm not just into this trade for fun here. I'm not feeling the pressure here. I do really think that this is a very good entry here, especially for a swing trade. So insane dump. I know there's an insane dump here on the Bitcoin. I mean, there's an insane dump right now going on here. So yeah, of course, I'm keeping an eye out on this big dump here. Of course, I will be looking out for this dump here on CryptoCon. We just also discussed it previously. We previously also discussed it. So definitely we will be looking along this. Yeah, along the way here, of course. We will be looking to this all along the way here. We'll also discuss this already here in the stream. We know that there is a big dump here once again for the F2 pool here, so we have to be careful. At 30k subscribers, Golf 7 giveaway. Probably not. But I do definitely want to give some more back to you guys. So definitely make sure to subscribe to the channel because we are going to give away more stuff here. We are going to show some more appreciation from your side, of course. You guys are showing so much support, so definitely want to give something back here to you guys as well here anytime soon. So also definitely a reason why you do want to be subscribed here and do want to be a member of this community here. Why is Link so boring right now? I mean, once it is boring, you do want to buy into it. But I mean, if you look to the Link compared to Ethereum valuation, it's not looking boring at all. If you look to the daily candles, I mean, very exciting what you're seeing right now. I do think a bounce is very likely compared to Ethereum for Chainlink. So Chainlink is not boring at all, in my opinion, right now. It is just cooling off here, consolidating, making itself ready for a huge, but for real, a huge jump here. Aren't the F2 miners in China who wants to ban mining? I mean, F2 pool is of course a Chinese mining pool, and yeah, Chinese want to ban mining. So it's very weird. It's very hypocritic. Where can you check the F2 pool dump? And you can check it on CryptoQuant. But of course, we will keep you guys up to date. Of course, what we are seeing. And yeah, make sure we are only 28 likes away from the 1.3k likes here, and already live for 3 hours. So that's absolutely insane here. Going to wrap up the stream anytime soon, also. So once wrapping up the stream, you have to know here. Once we're seeing something very interesting in the market, we'll keep you guys up to date in the Discord server. Also, we'll keep you guys up to date here on. Yeah, on the YouTube channel in general. So if we're seeing something very interesting, we will definitely keep you guys up to date here with an emergency live stream or so. But I mean, yeah, the trade is still going good here. Still chilling on it. Nothing to worry about, to be honest. Link will moon today. Yeah, definitely we can see Link mooning here. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if Link is absolutely going to take off here today. This is a very thing that we can see happen every single day here. So of course we will be looking forward to see where we're heading towards. And people are saying, would you not go long right now? We are already in a long position here on Bitcoin. And I mean, not going to rush into it. If you're not in a position yet, should not rush into it. Should wait for a better and clear market signal here. But I mean, you can take it with a lot of caution. You can just take it slow here. We're going to reverse the market anytime soon here. So please don't rush into anything here. Please don't rush into anything. But yeah, we are already in this trade, of course. But definitely a thing that you do want to keep an eye out on. It's going to be very exciting these weeks, especially this coming week, in my opinion. This week going to be very exciting for Bitcoin. And that's also the reason why we are loving to share our thoughts this week on the channel here. So I'm looking forward to this week. Of course, unfortunately, tomorrow the live stream will be a little bit later because tomorrow and this week will be a pretty busy week still for me. But after this week, I can do my live streams at the usual hours as you are expecting from me, of course. So. Tomorrow the live stream will be a little bit later, but of course I will try and do my best here to get the live stream out as soon as possible here once again, and maybe also we'll make an extra video or an extra live stream here. Depends on what you want. I think you guys want the live streams because you prefer the live streams, so definitely are looking forward to do a live stream once again here with you guys. But the thing here is that I will wrap up the stream here, guys. Thank you so much for watching the stream once again here. We went live for 3 hours, so I'm very glad to spend my 3 hours with you guys once again here. And I'm looking forward to make maybe an extra video today, or I would look forward to maybe have an emergency stream if we're going to see some insane volatility return to the market. If you haven't subscribed to the channel already, you can right now do so. It will be amazing if you're doing so because you're joining this army. And also, if you haven't joined the Discord server already, you can do so as well here because in the Discord server, we will keep you guys up to date further. And you can find the Discord server right now in the live chat here or in the description. You can also join the Telegram from the description. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in the stream here. I will check you guys at least tomorrow and maybe tonight even as well. So thank you so much for watching here and peace out, guys.